Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be joined by a very gorgeous guest co-host. Please welcome singer-songwriter Janine Perdine!
Hi guys!
Janine!
Hi Miss Marian, thanks for having me!
Thanks for joining us
Hi
today.
guys! Please have fun. Andito lang ako para to have fun with you guys.
Alright, looking forward to it. Alright, without further ado, let's play the LGBTQ plus edition of Pusoan or Laruan!
Di tayo iwan, di pa pabayaan. Pero wala ka na naman at di ko maintindihan. Kung wala nang ganog nang magpaasa, dahil ako'y nasasaktan, ginagawa mo akong lalaruan.
Thank you so much for having me. This is my favorite show, by the way. I
Oh
just
my
had
gosh,
to say that.
you heard it here first. Here to tell us how the game works is Janine. Go ahead.
Simple lang, guys. If you like someone, don't pop their balloon. Tapos kung hindi mo siya masyadong bet, ayun na, ipop mo na. Ganun lang yun.
Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusoan or Laruan. Here comes our first sexy single.
Please join us.
Come on over here. Hi.
Let's go.
Hi,
So, what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Jove. I'm 26 years old. I'm currently chat support in a BPO company.
Do you have any hobbies? Ano yung mga trip mong gawin pag you're not working?
Mostly reposting memes.
Love that.
Very relatable.
Ganun yung ginagawa ko sa IG.
Okay, aside from that, meron ka pa bang gustong ginagawa outside of, social media?
I'm interested in arts, like makeup artists.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
makeup din ako.
How about sa isang ideal partner naman? Anong hanap mo? Pwedeng personality traits or physical traits?
Medyo matangkad sa akin.
Oh, okay. So mukhang may mga matangkad dito sa ating lineup.
Baka may mga...
Oh! Ay,
May nag-pop
okay.
na.
Oh no! Maybe I spoke too soon? How about naman mga red flags? Or para sa'yo pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro yung masyado siyang nagmamagaling or mas lagi niya akong dinitiktahan. Yun. Kung anong gagawin ko, ganyan. Hindi niya ako pinapakinggan.
Yung masyadong controlling.
Controlling, yeah.
Okay. Kaya nakaka-relate ka ba doon?
Oo.
You also don't like it?
Dami kong kanta dyan eh.
So, sasabihin ko sana na wala pa nagpa-pop, but we have one pop balloon over here. So, let's go over here and find out kung bakit siya nag-pop ng balloon. So, what's your name, your age, and your job?
I'm Emil, 33, preschool teacher.
Hi, Emil.
So, ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
As what he said, mas gusto niya yung taller than sa kanya.
Pero if not for that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
Ba't naman sakto lang? Ano yung part na hindi mo masyado feel?
Siguro yung yung part na yun.
Ikaw ba, hindi mo ba na-overlook yung requirement na yun or preference na yun?
Meron naman ako dating na kasing height ko lang pero
Okay.
Oh, so pwede.
oo, pwede. Depende din naman. Hindi naman solely na pag
Okay.
matangkad sa akin is yun na yung ko. Pero meron namang akong naka-date na marami akong natutunan sa kanya. Ayun.
Okay. O siya, teacher. Marami ka matututunan sa kanya.
Right. So aside from height, type mo ba sana si Emil?
Oo.
Yeah, may chance.
Pasok na pasok siya.
Baka pwede may balloon ba?
Yeah. Well, do you still want to get your balloon back?
I'm good na po.
Pass na.
Thank you.
All right. So right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons left. Just based on what you're seeing right now, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, and one more. Okay, so let's start over here. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hi, excuse me. Hi, my name is Rem. I'm 29, and I work as a communication trainer in a BPO industry.
Okay, so baka siya napili mo i-pop?
Siguro dahil sa hair color.
Hair color.
Sorry, yan.
Ay, sorry. Bawal din
bigla.
pala. Baka i-pop
Are you
din
not a fan of like bleached or blonde-ish hair?
Ay, Hindi ko lang talaga prefer yung may color.
Okay.
Pero kung personality niya yan, I have nothing against it.
Do you have any response to that?
Well, hair coloring is one of my things. So that's your preference and it's my preference.
But if not for that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Masyadong kasi
May chance.
blonde.
May chance.
May chance naman pala. Okay.
Masyado raw blonde. Alis na nga ako
Oh my God! Nag-walk out bigla, Janine! Sorry. Ano ba gusto mo? Mas natural color or like darker lang, kahit colored?
Since ko sa artistry, like gusto ko yung match sa nila. Kung sa skin tone, sa undertone nila, ganun.
Okay, may masasabi ka ba
So,
doon?
I'm good. Well,
Pero kung-
I change my hair color every once a month. So, minsan kahit di siya bagay, I still go for it.
Aside from hair color, type mo din ba siya?
siguro tropa-tropa na lang.
Tropa.
Yeah,
Okay.
Or kuya,
Alright.
ganun. Ganun
Kuya,
din
ba't kuya,
nakikita ko siya
kuya?
eh.
Kuya, okay ng tropa eh. Kuya pa.
Hi, I'm Ren, 29 years old, government employee.
So, bakit siya napili may pop?
Di naman siya blonde.
No, hindi siya blonde.
No offense, pero ayun, siguro ayaw ko lang ng masyadong mas bigger sa akin.
Oh,
Siguro.
just physically, ganon? Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman kasi preference na po yun. So, kanya-kanya tayo, may mga preference talaga tayo sa partner na, future partner natin. So, I respect that.
Ikaw ba? Anong preference mo naman?
Ako naman, sa physical naman, wala naman akong sa physical. Basta ang okay sa akin yung basta mag-vibe tayo, yung okay kang kasama, tapos yung, syempre, yung gusto ko, yung gusto din ako.
But before this conversation, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Siguro, masasabi ko hindi din. Kasi parang, yung energy niya kasi parang, kasi ako parang medyo hyper. So, oo. Oo, so parang feeling ko kasi ma-attract ko yung energy niya, parang medyo jolly akong person.
Hindi ko siya,
Malay mo,
So,
jolly
yun.
pala siya.
hindi ko siya masabayan. Jolly.
So, gusto
Hindi
mo
mo siya
mas match
masasabi.
ng energy mo, ganon.
Very nice.
Okay. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So now, I'd like you to ask a question to help you find out kung sino medyo ka-vibe mo or ka-match mo.
Are you more of a house person or mahilig kang lumabas, like mag-party, tour?
Okay. How about you, Janine? Are you indoor, outdoor?
I'm a homebody.
Okay.
Hindi ako mahilig sa, Sorry, boring ako.
Oh, ganun ba? Okay, let's find out what their answers are.
Hi, my name is John David Rafael Comeros, but you can call me David or David. I'm 26 years old, and I work as a digital marketing specialist and media buyer in an IT BPM company in Ortigas. I'm a mix of both. So I like staying indoors, especially if it's like weekends and during my day offs. And sometimes I see to it na I will still have outdoor activities just to socialize lang and balance everything out.
Hello, my name is Mark Del Monte Recoy. I'm 27-year-old. I'm a content writer and also a former government employee. And I'm a Juris Doctor student. I love reading books, so I'm a homebody po. Mahilig ako sa bahay lang. I don't like to go outside. Ayoko lang maingay. Yan lang.
My name is JT, 28, working at as a call center agent and a manager of a modeling organization po. So basically, working at the BPO or call center agent, normally work from home kami. Kaya lagi ako nasa bahay. Kung may party, kung may magyayaya, why not? Yun po.
Hi, I'm Peter. Suarda Felipe. I'm 26 and I'm currently a styling assistant. So I'm a little bit of both. I like indoors because it's hot here in the Philippines. Yes, exactly. And yeah, I like to party sometimes as well.
Hello, I'm JM, 28 years old. So I'm an auditor and then laging, of course, auditor, laging nasa labas. I'm a freelance actor din, extra sa mga movies, teleserye, and then mga pelikula. Since ang work ko is given na outdoor din, most of the time, mukhang doon ako sa part ng extrovert. So more on outdoor activities and even siguro sa personal life ko, I like to party every night, mingle with my friends. Yan.
Hi, I'm Nico. I'm 34 years old. I'm a former HR and a content creator. I can do both naman. But if I would be choosing between the two, I would like to go out. Kahit sa simple, mall lang, going out with friends. Hindi naman kailangan pumarty.
Hello, I am Marco. I'm 29. I'm a former college instructor, but now I am a government employee. I am a homebody. I love cuddling with my cats and dogs.
Thank you so much.
Mahilig sa pusa.
So, based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Parang mostly sila homebody, no?
Yeah, I did
Isa
not
lang yung
expect.
hindi.
Bakit siya nga pili mo ipop?
Bakit ba siya napili? Hindi ko siya masyadong, siguro na-intimidate ako sa kanya.
Na-intimidate ka sa kanya? Bakit naman?
Kasi, but from the US siya.
From the US ka ba?
Siguro sa accent niya lang din kanina.
Explain the accent.
I grew up in the UK. Yeah. I recently moved here 2 months ago, but I grew up watching American TV, so...
Bakit ka na-intimidate sa accent?
Parang hindi kayo intindihan.
Pero nakakaintindi ka naman ng Tagalog, di ba?
I speak Tagalog and Aklano, which is Bisaya.
So, nagtatagalog naman siya and Aklano. Okay, ayun naman pala. Baka preferred niya lang na, yung preferred language mo lang is English, but...
It's gonna be seen internationally, so why not promote it?
Ayun.
Pero ano ba talaga preferred mo? Homebody or lumalabas?
I prefer someone who stays at home.
Okay, so a lot of options. Okay, so doon ka na lang talaga dahil sa accent or sa... doon ka na intimidate.
Siguro lagi niya akong Englishin.
Ganun ba? Totoo ba?
Hindi naman.
Ayun naman pala.
You can adjust naman daw. Pero set ka na ba doon?
Yeah, maybe next time. Maybe another time.
Pero how about sa'yo? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, I mean, he mentioned he's a creative. I'm a creative too. I'm a fashion graduate back in the UK. So yeah, I think we would probably gel in some way.
Oh.
Sayang. Oo nga, creative kayo pareho.
Colleague. Maging colleague.
So, ba't siya yung isa mo bang napiling ipop?
Kanina ko pa kasi siya nakita na shake.
Baka nerves lang.
Nasa-shy lang.
Nasa-shy siya.
Yun lang yung reason.
It's not really the answer. Kasi homebody din po kayo.
Homebody din siya.
Mix din ng home and extrovert.
Introvert.
Introvert and extrovert. Parang mix daw.
Ambivert.
Ambivert.
Pero nakita ko sa kanya parang like introvert siya mostly. Kaya,
okay.
Kasi kinakabahan siya. So, ako introvert din kasi ako.
It's okay.
So, yeah, baka maging boring na.
Ikaw, kayo? Kasi pareho kayong introvert. So, naghahanap ka ba ng extrovert na homebody? Ganun ba?
Somewhere in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle. Okay. Although ambivert naman, di ba?
Pero mukhang
if I get to know someone, if I get to know someone, nai-ease din ako.
Baka ngayon lang yan.
Baka ngayon lang.
Okay, pero how about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Pwede na kasi he mentioned he's into arts.
Arts, yeah.
So mahilig din ako pumuntang
Arts
museums.
Okay,
Pero
sure ka na
aside from the
doon?
nerves, ikaw, type mo ba siya?
Siguro parang he's giving me kuya vibe.
Kuya. Okay.
Oh my God.
Mentor.
It's
ganun.
okay. Yeah.
So, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So, I'd like you to ask another question para malaman natin kung sinong mas ka-vibe mo sa kanila.
Lahat naman tayo may red flag. So,
Okay.
what is that red flag na mapapalagpas mo na tatanggapin mo pa din yung isang person despite of that red flag?
Actually, wala pa. Hindi, joke lang. Red flag na mapapalampasan ko is actually my partner or yung ka-date ko is always late and not on time. Kasi as someone who works in a corporate world, I always value my time and I see to it na always on time tayo so that we don't waste each other's time as well. Pero it depends kung ano yung reason kung bakit ka na late. So, yan yung red flag na mapapalampas ka eventually
Lagi akong
naman.
late.
Depende sa reason.
Lagi siyang
Ikaw ba?
late.
Lagi ka bang late?
Yeah, mostly tardy ako na person.
Oh, okay. Anong reason? Wala lang.
Mabagal ako kumain.
Oh, okay. Does that bother you?
It depends again on the reason.
Mabagal lang daw siya.
Kung
Tama din
Napaisip
ako.
tuloy.
Mabagal.
Ano?
Okay, let's see later. Okay.
Mapapalampas ko na red flag ng isang tao is that person who don't know how to communicate well. Pero sabi ko nga, everything has a reason. Kaya mapapalagpas ko yung ganun. Yung may issue tapos galit agad. Hindi marunong makipag-communicate.
Okay lang sa'yo kahit hindi siya...
Yun yung okay lang sa'yo na hindi siya masyado marunong mag-communicate?
Since I'm a communication graduate, I think I can,
Ikaw na mag-adjust.
social adjust. Oo, ganun
Pero
na
ang
lang
hirap
siguro.
nun kasi parang yun yung pinaka-important sa relationship, right?
And gagamitin niya naman daw yung communication major niya.
Ay, perfect. Okay. Siya na pala bahala. Go.
Normally, siguro sa akin is yung mabagal mag-reply. So, basically kasi, lagi ako nakahawak ng phone. So, kailangan talaga, or normally sa atin naman lahat is lagi tayong nakahawak ng phone. Pero siguro naman may reason kung bakit mabagal siya mag-reply. Maybe because may work siya, or maybe she has dealing with his parang self-time. Kasi may mga ganong person na kailangan nila ng me time. Diba? Ganon.
Pero para sa'yo, ano yung maximum time na pag na-reach niya to, ay, ayaw ka na talaga?
May iba na siyang ka-shot.
Yan lang.
Yun na talaga.
Okay lang kahit ilang araw, ganun. Basta ikaw lang yung kausap.
Basta ako lang kausap mo.
Yate kahit hanggang weeks na hindi nagre-reply, okay lang?
Basically, dati sa ex ko, normally 3 days na siyang hindi nagre-reply. Pero okay lang naman sa akin so far. As long, yes.
Oh my God!
Parang hindi okay kay Janine. Parang siya yung na-affect.
Wait, di naman ako naglalaro. Pero wow, your patience, grabe.
Siguro yun nga lang talaga, kailangan mahabang pasensya din talaga sa isang relationship. Kasi tinake mo siya kinuha mo siya. So kailangan, kung paano kasi isang relasyon, kailangan yun maglalas hanggang dulo.
So patient.
Oh, not for you?
Not for me.
Okay.
For me naman, walang space yung red flag kasi sa heart and mind ko. So everything red flag still a red flag. Hindi siya negotiable for me.
Wala talaga.
Yes. What I did sa mga past exes ko, kapag may mga red flag, ibinamahal ko pa yung tao. So I need to adjust na. Ako na yung mismong lumalayo sa kanya para mag-start na mag-move on.
Pero ano ba yung mga red flags para sa
yung mga main 3 na pinaka
yung pinaka-first, same kami, yung sa hindi nagre-reply. So parang mag-good morning ka, reply niya good night na. Ganun. So ganun katagal.
Hindi mo din kaya. Same tayo. Hindi mo kaya yun.
Kung anong time yung binigay mo yun din.
Right.
But you guys do that where you count like how many minutes did this person reply and then...
I mean,
are we petty or...
Wait lang. Baka may ma-turn off.
Okay, ano pa? Aside from yung reply time?
Family-oriented.
Ayaw mo ng family-oriented?
I always make time sa family ko.
Gusto
So dapat
ayaw mo sa
same
hindi
kami.
family-oriented. Okay.
And then the last one, walang work.
Tama. Fair naman yung mga red
Yes, I think fair enough yung pagpapasok ka sa relationship kasi hindi naman pedeng sagot niya yung buong pagkatao mo.
Standards. May standards siya.
Yes.
Okay, wala namang tumama sa'yo doon? Wala namang...
So, walang ligtas. Like, wala siyang pinapalagpas.
Yes, kasi for me, bago kayo nag-commit sa isa't isa, you have dedication and eagerness to each other. So, from the time na nag-commit ka, automatic, all red flags hindi na pwede.
Yung mga red flags naman na pinapalampas ko is, first thing is communication, especially when it comes in language barrier. Like, for example, as what you said earlier, that you are a BPO, then, so you are good in English. Good. You are fluent in English.
Yeah.
Ako kasi, hindi. Then, actually, I grew up in Davao, so Bisaya ako, same with Janine. So,
Bisaya din ako eh.
Ay, perfect! Ayun, perfect pala. No language barrier.
Bisaya reunite?
Let's go.
So yun, more in communication.
Yun yung pwede mong palagpasin. Okay. Although earlier, medyo bothered ka din sa English, right? Kasi yung isang participant natin
from UK kasi.
Okay. Pero pag ganito naman, okay naman.
Yeah.
Ito perfect kasi Bisaya sila pareho.
Yeah.
Masabtan ako
Okay. Potential connection. Okay. So, based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Ako yung kinakabahan.
So sorry, but...
Yan na. Oh, no!
Ayan.
Okay, and one more?
Siguro.
Okay.
Hello.
So, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Siya napili ko kasi sabi niya kanina, masyado siyang...
Patient.
Ayaw mo ng patient?
Kasi
Red flag na pala yung patient?
sobra kasi daw. Kasi okay lang daw kung 1 week.
Sobra. Parang sobra masyado yung hindi siya nag-go-worry. Gusto ko rin medyo yung nag-go-worry sa akin kung bakit hindi ako nag-chat. Gusto ko rin ng kinakamusta ko from time to time. Kung bakit di ka nag-chat. Bakit di ka nag-chat?
O gusto mo may ba ganon na lambing na, uy, reply mo naman ako, ganon?
Hindi lang yung
Ganon kasi ako eh.
Okay lang naman. I love updates din kasi. Siguro na misunderstood lang na siguro kapag hindi siya nagre-reply sa mga chats ko normally. Kasi may mga ganun eh. I usually ask my partner, how is he doing, ganun. Kapag hindi siya nagre-reply, syempre I worried. Syempre. Pero at the same time, again, it's about communication din. Kung paano nyo maiintindihan nyo isa't isa at the same time. Tsaka, ang hirap na makipag-communicate ka through social media or through chat kasi mas lalong lumalala yung away. So basically, kailangan mas magko-communicate kayo personally. Kasi mas naiintindihan nyo yung isa't isa, mas nako-communicate nyo yung isa't isa, tsaka mas lumalawak yung pangunawa nyo sa isa't isa.
Understanding lang siya, pag example, yung work ng partner niya, wala siyang phone for a week. So okay lang yun. Yun na pa naman pala.
Yun yung ano niya.
So, what do you think? Aside from that? Do you wanna give him a balloon back?
Baka naman.
Baka naman.
Or, do you wanna give him his balloon back? Or you're set ka na hindi na talaga? Nag-iisip.
Matangkad siya, which is yung ano ko.
You wanted that, right?
Yeah.
Na matangkad daw.
Malambing naman daw siya.
Malambing nga siya.
Balloon.
Maybe next time. Pag nag-meet tayo ulit, siguro next time.
Okay, next time. Okay, and you also popped his balloon. So, bakit siya pinili mo ipop?
As he said earlier, non-negotiable talaga yung red flag sa kanya. So,
Meron bang tumama sa'yo sa list?
like, for me kasi marami akong red flags. Aminado talaga ako. Then, na-intimidate ako sa ganun na masyadong strict. Lagi akong pupulisin na ganyan ginagawa mo.
Okay.
Ayun.
Ask ko sana kung ano red flags mo, kaya lang baka may mag-pop sa lineup eh. Gusto ko surprise na lang pag nag-date na kayo. Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
Kanya-kanya kasing ng tao eh. So sa kanya, marami siyang red flag, pero I think for me, rooms for improvement niya yun before committing to a relationship.
Gusto mo ba malaman kung tingnan natin kung mako-consider mo or?
Sige daw.
Okay, red flag reveal.
Complacent ako, like, tawag dito, yung alagain, ganun.
Is that a red flag for you? Naalagain siya?
Inalagaan niya ako, tapos parang gusto ko na palagi niya ang gagawin
okay.
yun.
So gusto mo na ma-spoil ka na niya, ganun?
Mahilig ka ba mang spoil?
Oh no, I shouldn't have asked! Sabi na eh!
Anyway, pero ikaw po ba mahilig ka ba
for
mang
me
spoil?
kasi, relationship is two-way approach kasi siya. So not only na kung ikaw lang yung aalagaan, dapat ikaw nasa iyo lang lahat. So may time siguro na need ko rin magpalambing, na ikaw yung magko-commit na ganun.
Ay, kaya niya daw.
Kaya ko naman.
So I think give and take si relationship.
Kaya niya naman daw.
Kaya ko naman in some ways, pero yung most of the time, ganun ako, like, gusto ko ako yung bini-baby.
Baka willing naman kayo both to compromise. Oo, mag-meet in the middle.
Do you guys wanna
Pero kaya ko naman mag-adjust talaga.
Oy, kaya niya daw mag-adjust.
So you wanna give him a balloon back? Yes? No?
No.
Set ka na talaga na no na talaga.
Kasi sobrang strict niya. Nakikita ko sa kanya, like, sobrang strict.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so, sino yung mga nag-pop over here? Okay, let's start with you. Hi, ano nang nangyayari?
Kasi earlier, he said na complacent ka sa ikaw yung binibaby.
Baby ka rin.
Gusto mo rin baby ka din. Ay, mas baby daw siya.
Pababyhan pala to. Marami baby. Okay lang ba sa'yo na salit-salitan yung pagiging baby?
Okay sa kanya yung salit-salitan na give and take.
Kayo naman pala.
Sa way na kaya ko siya i-baby.
Ano ba gusto mo, baby? Paano ba baby?
Mas ako yung binibaby kaysa siya yung binibaby.
Sayang naman. Sayang.
Baka mag-clash kayo na, sino bang baby today? Parang ganon.
Oo.
How about you? Are you an alpha or a baby?
I think I'm both, actually.
Okay, depends on the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gusto ko din yung salita niya. Minsan ako talaga yung binibaby, tapos minsan ako yung nabibaby. Kasi ang sarap kaya na nakikita mo yung partner mo na, ano ba yan? Tama na?
Okay, pero set ka na doon? Okay ka na sa decision mo?
But sayang
doon. Type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya baby rin?
Yes po. Kasi we're both Bisaya.
Yung Bisaya connection, paano na?
Wala na.
Sabi niya rin daw po na sayang. Aside from everything, type mo ba siya?
Yeah, siya yung nakikita ko. Someone na...
Are you sure you don't want a balloon back?
Sorry.
Thank you so much. So, anong nangyari?
What happened?
Ano kasi, matured kasi ako, promise. Kasi at our age, I think we need to be financially stable. And may ganyan naman talaga sa relationship. Pero yung bini-baby, I think it's awkward. For me. Lalo na kapag may mga times kasi na syempre kapag sinanay mo yung sarili mo na ganun, kahit sa labas, gusto mong gawin yun. May times na mag-aaway kayo, it's because hindi mo ginagawa yung gusto niya. Ayoko ng ganun. Kasi I think we need to be matured. And that is, yung age kasi natin dapat, kahit papaano, yung focus natin is yung goal na natin.
May response ka ba doon?
Fair enough naman. Ganun.
May minention ka na kahit sa labas magpapa-baby. So, okay lang ba sa'yo pag sa loob lang and not in public?
Normal po kasi we are in a relationship naman. So I think it is possible. Pero may mga moment kasi talaga na may ganyan. Kasi tao lang tayo eh. Mangyayari at mangyayari yan and I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
I see.
Fair enough naman daw.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Is giving me kuya vibes.
Kuya vibes! Bakit naman?
Ganyan yung mga ko sa BPO,
Ano daw?
Isang taon lang tanda ko sa'yo.
Isang taon lang daw.
Isang taon lang kuya agad.
Or siguro tropa. Or
tropa.
TL vibes.
TL.
Leader.
Okay.
And we had another pop balloon over here. Hi. What happened?
Kasi at first, I was about to pop my balloon na din when he said na he's into tall guys and he's really firm on it. But I want him to know more as well. Pero since kasi on the second round, he asked, medyo may pagka-tardy nga siya and I don't want that as well. Baka kasi at first, okay lang sa akin and then eventually, maging habit na siya. Lastly is na-mention niya kasi na he likes to be babysit. And
babysit talaga.
Wait lang, parang yun yung okay.
Gusto niya kasi yung parang binibaby siya all the time. So for me, it won't work. It should be like...
Parang ang dami na. Okay.
Yeah. So for me, those are, na siya, tatlong na. So, like, pinapin yung balon.
Pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
No.
Type ko siya kasi, I just like...
You like him?
He's giving me that vibe na,
Huwag ka na daw magpalit. Yun lang yata yun. Yun lang pala yun. Or you think... Pero nag-agree ka ba? Feeling mo like lalabas at lalabas pa rin yung habit mo of being late? Or super mas ikaw yung magpapa-baby?
Sa kanya, hindi. Hindi ko gagawin. May exception.
Ayun naman pala. Does that change your mind at all?
No, nice.
Okay, kala ko pa naman. Baka na-convince ka na. Okay, well, thank you so much. Well, unfortunately, lahat ng balloons have been popped, but thank you so much for joining, and I hope you can join us again sa next episode. Thank you.
A pleasure. Thank you.
Here comes our next sexy single.
Please join us. Hi!
Hello.
Nag-blend pa eh.
I love your jacket.
Hello.
Thank you.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Andre Mark and 24 years old.
Okay. Ano namang job mo or what do you do for a living?
As a brand cosmetic live host on TikTok.
A live host.
Live host. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Perfect.
Aside from that, what are your hobbies? What do you do for fun?
Joining a lot of pageant and also a varsity swimmer.
Who's sporty?
Okay, so pageant and sports.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very cool. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality traits or physical traits?
Kind.
Okay.
And also understandable man.
Okay.
Mga physical traits naman or preferences?
Tall. And also good looking.
Okay.
Tall daw. Hindi ko na nga sasabihin kasi baka mamaya mag-pop ka eh. Like gano'n.
Deal breaker ba yung height for you? Hindi naman.
For me kasi, if someone entering on your life, you need to be enough na din kung talagang ma-provide niyo yung love na binibeg mo.
Oh, okay.
So, for me, yun lang naman yung preference ko. Pero kapag sino talaga yung dumating,
Okay.
siya na.
All right. How about deal breakers or para sa'yo red flags yung gantong traits?
Maybe we should understandable muna. Or maybe
okay.
pagbigyan natin siya ng chance. Para if ever man, kapag naging open-minded ka sa kanya, so kapag sinabi mo yung mga ayaw mo, so baka may chance pang baguhin niya yun.
Oh, okay. Wala ka namang deal breaker talaga.
So, gusto mo ng understanding and understanding ka rin sa partner mo.
And
So,
also support.
give and take lang.
Yeah, give and take lang.
Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. Okay, iba yung tinitingnan ko. Yung pala siya yung magpa-pop. Let's go over there and find out kung bakit siya nag-pop ng balloon.
Nico, 34 years old, content creator. I pop my balloon kasi hindi siya makasabi ng red flag. So for me, it's important for you to understand each other para malaman mo yung mga yung mga preferences mo.
Yeah.
So mas gusto mo na alam niya na kung ano yung hinahanap niya at hindi hinahanap sa isang tao.
Right.
Yeah, yun lang.
But for me kasi, when it comes for red flag din talaga, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin. So, you need to see muna kapag ano yung mga red flag and you can tell to your partner. So, at least kapag ganun, understandable pa rin yun, nandoon pa rin. So, parang open-minded, yun yung kailangan. Parang ganun. For me.
So, super understanding talaga siya.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin, ano bang red flags mo that you think? And then let's see if he'll be able to understand it.
Malay mo.
Test lang, try lang.
Yeah.
Parang dati paranoid ako sa relationship. Naging overprotective, parang gano'n.
Para sa'yo, red flag ba yun? Or okay lang sa'yo?
For me, okay lang. Kasi if you love someone din talaga, so you need to understand din talaga. Again, understanding is the best din talaga to road your relationship to forever.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, aside from all of that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Oh, yun naman pala. And he's willing to understand your red flags.
For now, no na muna.
No na muna.
Right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons left. So, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop just based on what you're seeing right now. Ooh, okay. All right, so let's go back over there.
Hello, I am Marco. I'm 29. I'm a government employee.
So, ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Medyo, nafe-feel ko kasi hindi ko siya magiging ka-vibes.
In what way?
Just like,
aura?
Aura, ganun.
Ano bang
like
aura niya for you?
Simple.
Simple.
Yeah. Parang I want kasi na parang same kami ng vibes.
Okay.
Same kami ng outfit, same kami ng...
Ano ba yung vibe mo?
Like,
Not simple.
Not simple.
Complicated.
Not simple. Like, gusto ko yung kapag ano yung type ko, ganun din siya.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Yes, same feeling na hindi ko rin siya magiging ka-vibe kasi parang over na rin yung pagiging fashionable mo. Then ako, simple type lang kasi.
Okay.
So, you're also looking for someone na matches your simple aesthetic.
Yes po. Sayang lang kasi I like swimmer because I am a swimmer too.
Pwede pa rin naman mag-swim. After your show.
Swim together.
Swim together, but as friends.
As a friend.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka naman isang question to help you find out kung sino mas makaka-vibe mo.
If you're gonna look me, how can you scale 1 to 10?
So is it like attraction scale?
Attraction scale.
Okay.
I'm Emil, 33, preschool teacher. Siguro nasa 5. Good looking siya. Oo. Pero I was about to pop kasi nga yung hinahanap niya is yung mas matangkad ata sa kanya. Pero syempre, bibigyan ko naman yung chance yung sarili ko. Baka hindi niya pa.
So hi, my name is John David Rafael Comeros, but you can call me David or David. I'm 26 years old and I am a digital marketing specialist and media buyer in an IT BPM company in Ortigas. I'll give him a 7. I mean, he's physically attractive din naman. And at the same time, medyo maganda din naman yung outfit.
Hello, my name is Ram. I'm 29. I work as a communication trainer in the BPO industry. I'd say 7 too, because the way you stand, it looks good. And siguro ano lang, we'll see. But for now, 7.
Hello. My name is Mark Del Monte Recoy. I'm 27 years old. Currently, I am a content writer. And I'm a former government employee. And now I'm studying law, Juris Doctor. And nakalimutan ako sabihin kanina, I am also a host. Yun yung pinagkakakitaan ko. And when it comes to the question, I guess kasi hindi ako sa looks eh. Hindi ako sa looks. So kung sa ngayon, tinitingnan ko, it's 8.
8?
Oo, pero yung base sa kanina, na sinimulan niyang the way he talk and the way he, persuade yung mga gusto niyang sabihin kanina. Sa akin, 8. Kasi may dalawang qualities na gustong-gusto ko na nasa kanya na, kanina. Kasi sabi ko, di ba, I'm a goal-oriented and since may business siya, yun.
Yeah, my name is JT, 28, and I'm a call center agent and I do manage modeling organization po. To answer his question po, siguro for me, attraction level is 8. And maganda yung physics niya talaga. I love his eyes. Actually, dun talaga ako tumitingin sa mata ng isang tao kasi dun mo makikita if sincere yung tao sa'yo or if nakikinig siya sa'yo personally. Other than that, feeling ko magkaka-jive kami kasi I handle pageant people. So, I do handle many people na nagbo-model and all. Feeling ko magkaka-jive kami regarding dun.
I'm Peter Sorda Felipe. I'm 27. I am currently a styling assistant. Probably say 7. The remaining 3 is probably for me to get to know you. Yeah.
So more on that later to turn it into a 10.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Jay. I'm 28 years old, freelance actor and auditor. So for me, I'll give 7. The 3 points is I need to get to know him.
Right.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Ren, 29 years old, government employee. So yung rate ko sa'yo, 7.99.
Oh, one specific. Ba't nawala? Hindi mo pa ginawang 8.
May point talaga. Kasi syempre may room for parang gusto pa kita makilala. Pero based on sa looks, tsaka dun sa mga the way nga na sumagot ka, tas yung the way na makipag-communicate, wala talaga siyang talaga nakikipagtitigan talaga siya kapag kinakausap siya. So, good listener siya. So, parang based dun sa looks, yan.
7.99.
Baka mamaya mag-round up pa yan. We'll see. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Ano lang? Yeah.
The rate.
5.
Okay.
5.
Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman. Okay lang. May preference kasi talaga siya. Hindi ako qualified.
And you're standing by your rate then?
Yeah.
Okay, and over here, hi. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang pinili, Pop?
Ano lang, I feel parang hindi kami magkaka-vibes.
In what way?
The way he talk. Parang magka-clash kami. The way he talk din talaga. And
Is there a
also
particular reason?
Yeah.
Do you agree with that?
I would say yes.
Bakit?
I'm 50-50 controller and somehow I could entertain and listen to you. Pero we could have a discussion. So, yeah.
So baka mag-clash? Ganun ba?
Mag-clash talaga.
Mag-clash yun. As a relationship, but as a friend, maybe we can together. Yeah, make fun.
Thank you.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So please ask another question to help you figure out sinong mas match mo. Or baka meron kang question for him to ask. Baka may suggestion ka. What would you ask if you were a sexy single on the show?
Ako ba talaga? Maybe pwede mo silang tanungin kung saan ka dadalhin for a first date?
Yeah. You wanna try that?
Sige, go. Go for it.
Sabi niya, pangit na suggestion ni
Parang
Jenny.
sige na nga. Oh my God.
Sige na nga.
Grabe naman.
I'll take him to Mount Batulao. We would go hiking. If you're interested in hiking, let's do some outdoor activities. If ever, magpili mo if ever.
I will bring you to Leyte. Kasi I'm from Leyte actually. I'm from Tacloban, Leyte. So in Leyte, there are lots of, very beautiful sceneries like mga beaches and basta marami Tacloban has to offer talaga.
Grabe.
And I think if we're going to have a date, yun yung pinaka-best spot for you able to know me and where kung
Bongga
saan
yung
ako
first date niya.
Oo nga, yung airfare ba? Sino
On the plane
magka-cover
agad?
nun?
may trabaho naman kayo pareho. Di kanya-kanya.
50-50.
Kanya-kanya na lang.
Kanya-kanya.
Okay.
Kung dadalhin ko po siya sa first date namin, siguro po dun po sa place namin, actually sa Laguna. Kasi Laguna known for its delicacies and food po, lalo na sa Santa Rosa. So, ang daming food sa amin. Basically, alam ko sa pageantry, kapag nagpa-pageant ka, is kailangan mo talagang hindi kumain.
Right.
And after nun, syempre, kailangan mo mag-enjoy. So, yun yung siguro yung kailangan kong iparamdam sa kanya na mag-enjoy lang siya sa life niya. We only live once and lagi natin tatandaan na, di ba, a way to a man's heart is to his stomach.
Anong food kaya yun?
Basically, meron sa amin sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, yung tinatawag nilang porkzilla. As in, sobrang laki niya kasing laki siya ng plato. Gano'n siya. And it's worth only 170 pesos. Kaya sobrang niya. So, kasi ako, I'm not sobrang mayaman, like gano'n. Pero dadaling ko siya sa gusto kong maramdaman niya na even if it's cheap, as long as you're together, you're talking with each other, you're communicating, you're enjoying one another's communication, then ayun yung sobrang sarap sa feeling.
I'd probably say a museum around Manila to like talk and get to know more and also be immersed in the art and history. I've only been here for 2 months. So yeah, it's a good way to kind of like connect and see Manila, I guess.
So touring Manila together?
Yeah.
For me, I'll take sa bahay. Gusto ko makita.
Agad-agad?
Oo, kasi for me kasi gusto ko makita agad yung kung ano yung reaction niya, makita niya yung estado ng buhay namin. And I think gusto kong makita agad ng parents ko kung approve ba siya or okay ba siya sa makisama sa family kasi I'm a family-oriented person. So, doon pa lang makikita namin kung talagang okay kami or magkakaroon kami ng vibe sa isa't isa.
Sa akin naman sa Marikina kasi Marikina has many to offer. So, simula sa pinaka-simple hanggang sa pinaka-fine dining na resto, simula sa tusok-tusok hanggang sa magandang fine dining resto, international cuisine. So, kasi marami na sa Marikina So, parang kahit hindi ka na lumayo doon, so kaya kitang ilibot doon or kahit saan, kung anong trip mong kainin or kung anong gusto mo, matutour kita sa Marikina.
Okay.
Sabi ko na nga ba, Philippine tour talaga to.
Oo nga, parang competition ng different places and their delicacies, no? Tingnan natin kung sinong mananalo na city or province. Okay, thank you so much. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, and one more. Okay, all right. So ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Takot kasi ako sa bundok.
Takot ka sa bundok?
Yeah. Takot ako mag-hiking.
Oh, okay. So you're not into hiking at all. Okay. Do you have any response to that? Pwede mo bang i-adjust yun? Or gusto mo din talaga na nag-hike yung partner mo?
Na-adjust naman, pero since hindi naman yata siya outdoorsy person, hindi ko naman siya pipilitin.
Okay.
If not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Physically, na-attract naman ako sa kanya. Pero to be honest, in terms kasi sa age gap, although 2 years lang age gap natin, you're 24, I'm 26, I can see you mas bagay ka sa kapatid ko
Nagreto?
Yeah, who's also 24 years old and then same din as me. So, parang nakita ko siya sa kapatid ko.
Okay. Do you have any response to what he said?
Type ko naman din kasi siya, so wala na.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you so much. Sa kapatid mo na lang, tinan natin mamaya. Okay, so ba't siya yung isa mo pang napiling ipop?
So sa museum kasi parang it's kind of boring for me.
Okay.
Hindi ka mahilig sa arts and paintings. Gets naman.
Are you willing to change that or you're really set on going to museum?
I mean, where do you want to go?
Maybe beach.
A beach?
Yeah, beach.
I'm from Aklan. Let's go to Boracay.
Let's go. Let's book. Cheers.
Boracay daw. Ay mo ba?
Philippine tour. Grabe. Kala ko coffee
Oo nga, biglang Boracay.
Yeah.
And who's gonna cover the airfare for that, if ever?
I mean, I feel like whoever nagyaya.
Right.
So in this case, you?
Yeah, why not?
Ayun naman pala. Pwede daw ibahin.
Oo nga, wait lang. Mag-usap tayo. Sure ka ba talaga?
Kaya nga. All expense paid. Wala talaga. Sure ka na. Set ka na.
Okay. Alright. So we have 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Tell me one fact on yourself.
Doon mo na mag-start?
Doon mo na
Pwede ba yun?
Di ba na siya ready? Hindi niya daw kilala yung self
Pwede
niya.
pala yun? Kaya mo yan. Bagalang ko maglakad. Okay. First thing that comes to mind.
Adventurous.
Ooh.
Actually, sabi ko nga, homebody. Pero when it comes to nature, I love nature talaga. Oo. Kasi sabi ko nga, I live in Tacloban and Tacloban has to offer. There are lots of environment there na pwedeng puntahan and nalibot ko na siya. when I was a government employee, a DSWD employee. So, naikot ko na talaga siya. And sabi ko, hindi ko siya ipagpapalit sa Manila.
Fun fact about me, actually passionate. Normally, when you're doing things, dapat you have to be passionate about it. Just like katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, my modeling organization, basically, I established my modeling organization with my passion kasi dati nagpa-pageants ako, I do pageantry, and hindi nakasupport yung family ko sa akin. So, that is where I start to do this passion, to drive the passion na if ever na hindi na ako yung nandoon sa entablado, nakikita ko yung mga sinusuportahan kong bata na they're doing their best. And of course, katulad ng sinabi niya, naiintindihan ko kung ano yung struggling nila financially, and syempre, ako yung nandito para to support them as well. At the same time, sa work din and saka sa relationship, dapat you have to be passionate about it. You have to have that drive, even sa negative or positive side, di ba? You have to take that, or you have to understand that. Ayun.
Oh, that's very admirable. Okay, well, thank you so much.
For me, if you're a food lover, hindi tayo magkaka-vibe kasi marami akong kaartihan sa food. So marami akong food restrictions. Doon ako nagko-coffee, cake, burger, pizza, even fries. So, ayun, marami akong food restrictions. Kapag nag-travel ako, hindi rin ako nag-explore ng mga food around kung ano yung specialty sa city nila. So, natatakot ako.
Think adventurous sa food. Like, kung ano yung gusto mong food, yun lang talaga. Ano bang gusto mong food?
Usually ang kinakain ko lang pasta and chicken.
Hello, ako naman, sponty. Sobrang sponty ko. Pag inaya mo ako ngayon, wala akong ginagawa, go.
Tara na agad.
Yun, actually, isa yan sa mga ng mga kaibigan ko sa akin. Kasi nga, parang nagugulat sila, parang isang text lang sa'yo. Pag sinabi namin, andito kami sa labas, sinundo ka namin, go ka na agad. As long as wala akong ginagawa, sponty akong person.
Yung ba yung tinatawag na kalad ka rin?
Exactly.
One call away na lang.
It's fun though.
One call away na lang.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. So, ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
For me kasi, gusto ko kasi mag-explore for food. So, gusto ko kumain ng mga exotic, gusto ko matry, ganun lang. So, for you kasi parang hindi tayo much.
Pwede naman siguro yung iba-iba yung ino-order nyo. ikaw yung exotic yung kinakain, tapos siya, chicken.
Pasta.
Ayaw din niya ng burger. I love burger. And I love fries.
Ganyan ka naman sa burger. Parang dering-dering naman. Sarap kaya.
Ayaw mo ng burger?
Ayoko. Ewan ko. Hindi ko siya trip talaga. So, most likely kinakain ko na talaga chicken or pasta.
That's okay.
So, yung restaurant na pupuntahan nyo, dapat laging may chicken or pasta. Yeah. Ganon.
Dapat. Spaghetti, yan. Jollibee.
Okay.
Feeling ko kaya naman na iba-iba yung order nyo. Take out kayo.
Take out na lang.
Kasi aside from that, type mo ba siya?
In the first place, yes. Kasi kaya niya ako ipakilala sa parents niya.
Oh, so, yeah.
That, then yung gusto ko din.
Ikaw po ba? Type niyo po ba siya?
Yes. Pero feeling ko nga hindi kami magkaka-vibe.
Iba na lang i-order nyo. Kaya.
If it's not meant to be, it will be.
Okay. So, hindi talaga kaya ma-set aside. Okay.
Right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So, ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Go with the flow kasi daw siya. So, seloso kasi ako.
Okay.
So, baka maybe may mga circle of friends siya nakasama yung ex niya. So, parang yun lang. Medyo magsasalos lang. So, ayoko din kasi yung go with the flow. Gusto ko din lang din yung parang calm lang, ganun. So, parang ano lang.
So, you're worried na baka mapunta siya sa hangout na kasama yung ex niya?
Na totally. Baka may ma-meet siyang someone.
What do you think about that?
Ay, yung sinasabi ko naman na sponty, syempre yung mga nakakasama ko naman lagi is yung mga friends ko. Syempre yung friends na lagi kong kasama, yun yung same group, tsaka yun yung ipapakilala ko sa'yo na hindi ko ipapa-feel sa'yo na ibang tao sila. So, yun lang.
Do you have any response to that?
Ayaw mo sumama? Sumama ka na lang para ma-check mo kung sino kasama
Tsaka malay mo, pag naging kayo dalawa lang yung mag-sponty adventures.
Pero ikaw, spontaneous ka ba or no?
No.
Okay.
Alright.
We still have 2 balloons left. So, sila naman ngayon na magtatanong sa'yo ng question to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
Okay.
So,
siya na lang. Kanina pa to.
So, anong question mo for our sexy single?
Hirap naman, laging nauuna. Ba't kasi nag-pop ka eh?
Kasalanan mo daw.
Gaano kahalaga sa'yo yung oras?
For me, time is important kasi lahat dapat nasa-set yun. Nasa-set mo yun. Nama-mindset mo siya. So you can set a goal din talaga time to time. Kung ano yung gagawin mo, ganito, ganyan, para walang maaksaya ang oras. Just love lang din. Kumbaga, you need to earn time for your someone or to your partner na rin. Kasi that is most important when it comes for relationship. Yung time din talaga. Kasi sometimes kasi yung iba, porket, jowa ko na to. Mamaya ko na lang i-update. Understand naman siya. Pero for me kasi time talaga, you can give, lang naman, parang 2 minutes, 3 minutes to update to your partner din talaga. Para yung relationship nyo, it's nag-hold pa rin. Communication pa rin.
Siguro one adjective or word that best describe you na lang. Ayan na.
Strong.
Strong. Why?
Because I grew up with a broken family and also since 16 years old, I am independent. I joined a lot of pageant to sustain my needs, especially my tuition fee. And gabi-gabi dito talaga ako to talagang pageant, talagang dumadayo ako, ganun. Talagang yun na yung passion ko. Then I'm so happy to join a lot of pageants kasi yung experience din. So yun lang, strong lang ako, strong independent.
Strong and independent, yes. Okay, do you have any follow-up?
No, I just want to say I'm proud of you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So, since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop. Okay. We'll get back to you later. Okay, so ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Yung question niya kasi common. For me.
Okay.
Like, yun na yung parang pinag-aawayan when it comes for relationship. Time din talaga. So, when it comes in a relationship, kung mag-enter ka sa relationship, talagang number one nila yung oras din talaga dyan. So, you can drive talaga both. So, napag-uusapan naman talaga yung oras. So, yung very common lang. Gusto ko kasi yung medyo strong yung questions, ganun. Like, question niya.
Okay. Panahirapan na nga siya mag-isip ng question kanina. Ay, ikaw.
Actually.
Defend yourself. Defend.
Yun yung pinili kong question. It's because time is very important to me. Sabi nga natin na pag-uusapan ng oras. Pero hindi lahat ng oras pwede nating pag-usapan kasi may mga oras na hindi tayo magkakasama. May mga pagkakataon na hihingin ko yung oras mo pero hindi pwede. Kaya napakahalaga sa akin yung oras kasi at the end of the day, kapag gusto mo ang isang tao, bibigyan at bibigyan mo ako ng oras. Pero, kapag mayroong part sa katawan mo na hindi mo ko gusto, kahit pilitin ko, I think hindi enough yung presence ko para sa'yo. That's why it's very important to me to ask if time is very important to a person. Kasi, sabi ko nga, time ang nagko-combine sa relationship. Kasi yung love, andyan na yan eh. Kasi it's a relationship actually. Pero yung oras, ang hirap hanapin ng tamang oras para sa tamang relasyon.
Pang-pageant talaga. Pageantry. May response ka ba doon sa sinabi niya?
Goods naman. And I'm so happy kasi ganun yung mindset niya. Sayang.
Sayang?
Yeah, sayang.
Oh, so...
Ay, sabi niya.
Buuin niya daw. Alam mo, marami pa naman tayong balloon dyan. Pwede naman tayong kumuha na isa pa. Are you set on that already?
It's okay na.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much. That was an awesome answer. Since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. So, before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from your end?
For me, wala naman na.
Wala naman na. How about from your end?
Wala naman na so far kasi nasagot naman niya yung question ko. And for me, that is one of the thing na kailangan natin is yung maging strong, independent person talaga.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na sure.
Okay! We have a pusuan match! Alright, so please, kiss, joke lang. Alright, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Kiss Nice daw. Look at the gun. Congratulations!
For this round, I get to welcome our next sexy single.
Hello po.
Please join us.
Hi, everyone.
Please join us over here.
Welcome. So what's your name? What do you do for a living? Hello po.
Hello po. My name is John, but everyone calls me Waki, and I'm working at a bank.
How old are you pala?
I'm 29 years old.
Okay.
Hi, Wacky. So what do you like to do for fun?
I'm a dancer po eh. So, outside work, nag-train ako. I do dance classes and training po for dance competitions.
Nice. Meron ka ba mga preferences para malaman ng ating mga participants?
I think yung same energy with what we do outside work, like nagpe-perform din, or not specifically working, but passionate about something po. If mas magiging to the point ako, gusto ko medyo leaning towards siya sa loving the family, my family more po, yung sa ganun. Kasi gusto ko rin, if mahal ko siya, mahal din siya ng family and friends ko po.
Siyempre, meron ka bang mga deal breakers, mga red flags na hindi mo kayang i-tolerate?
Number one, marami pala.
Marami pala.
Listahan pala. Wait lang.
Sa akin po, number one, yung hindi kayang sumuport with what I do.
Oh, okay.
Yes po. And number two, yung medyo hindi siya communicative.
Right. Okay. Dalawa lang naman pala.
Dalawa.
Yan. Mukhang wala pang nagpa-pop.
Okay.
So maybe this is your time to pick 2 balloons to pop based on what you see right now.
Hello. Sorry. Wait, talk.
Lumalabas yung pag-workout niya.
Oh, okay. Hello po. Can we ask for your name, age, and job?
Nico, 34, content creator and a former HR.
Yeah, hi, Nico. So why did you pop Nico's balloon?
Nakikita ko po sa kanya na, I think, sobrang supportive siya as a person. Like, basing on the person,
So
physicality.
physical pa lang yan.
Yes, very supportive siya. I feel like supportive siya. But it's just that he's giving me off na parang tito vibes.
Okay.
Parang gusto ko siyang respetuhin to my most utmost
Okay.
level.
So, hindi siya romantic vibes.
Parang gusto ko po na, hi po!
Okay. Yes naman. Okay.
Anong specific reason? Bakit?
Hindi ko po siya ma-point out, but parang nung nakita ko po siya, sabi ko,
Baka yung oral lang.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have anything to say to that?
I get that a lot.
Okay.
You get that a lot?
He gets that a lot.
Ibang tao.
Ano ba nga sinabi nilang mga reasons daw?
Yung vibe.
Yung vibe, just vibe.
Pag unang tingin nila sa akin.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, that's why I did not initially pop the balloon.
Sayang naman si Tito.
Okay. Pero set ka na?
Yes.
Okay, I am Marco. I'm 29 and I am a government employee.
Okay, so why did you pop Marco's balloon?
I think po, yung preference ko lang personally is yung sa the way they dress themselves po.
Right.
So I feel like gusto ko, personal preference ko lang naman po ito, na ma-inspire ako on how they style themselves po, mga ganun.
Okay.
Gusto mo mas match sa aesthetic mo, gano'n?
Yes po.
That's okay. Pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi din. Kasi, same with the previous over fashion din. And,
Over fashion?
Yeah, hindi rin ako sa mga dancer.
Oh, okay.
So mas
Simple as
simpler. Right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So, it's time for you to ask a question para malaman natin kung sino makaka-vibe mo.
If currently nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding, nagkaroon ng sigawan, nagkaroon ng pagtatalo, ano yung mas prefer nyong gawin? Itulog na lang yon to let things cool off or take some time para pag-usapan talaga yun?
Okay, so let's go over here.
I'm Emil, 33, preschool teacher.
Okay.
Communication is the key. Kasi kapag nag-usap kayo, mas magkakaintindihan kayo. Just like parang sa pagtuturo, kapag hindi nila naiintindihan yung tinuturo mo, mas kausapin mo sila. Ibigay mo yung mga kinakailangan nila para magkaintindihan kayo both.
Pero gagawin mo ba agad-agad or itutulog mo muna?
Gagawin ko agad. Ganun po ako eh.
Hi, I'm John David Rafael Comeros. You can call me David or David. I'm 26 And I am a digital marketing specialist and media buyer in IT BPM company in Ortigas. So for my answer to your question, I think I'll have to go in taking some time to talk about it rather than sleeping na lang nang may problema kayo ng partner mo, no? Because for me, it's more of neglecting rather than addressing the issue itself. There are times kasi na magkakaroon talaga kayo ng heated argument within each other. And I think that's for me, that's para mag-improve na rin yung communication niyo and at the same time your relationship as well.
Tama naman. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Ram. I'm 29. I'm a communication trainer in the BPO industry. So, to answer your question, overthinker kasi ko. So, I'd rather have it fixed regardless of how heated the argument was.
Hello. My name is Mark Del Monte Recoy. I'm 27 years old. Currently, I am a content writer. I'm a former government employee and a Juris Doctor student now, law student. Nga pala, I'm a folk dancer din. I am part of the La Manila
Daming
Dance. Club.
talent.
Yes, so, sa gustong manood sa mga viewers dyan, every Sunday po. Nagpe-perform kami sa Centro Escolar.
Go lang.
Okay. So, when it comes to your question, I think, as we all know that communication is the best thing that we can have for us able to have a great relationship. Diba? Understanding. Pero, sabi ko nga, I am a communication graduate and nasanay ako na pinapahupa ko muna ang baha bago ko kausapin ang sinasabi nating, ano sa Tagalog ng storm? Bagyo.
Bagyo.
Oo. Kasi kapag ang bagyo, nilusong mo, kawawa ka. There are possibilities na yung iniingatan mo, mas mawala sa'yo. So I think the best thing that we can do is just to settle first. Magmuni-muni. Kunin muna natin yung sarili natin sa bawat isa. Kaya sabi nga natin, mas maiintindihan natin ang bawat isa kung alam natin magpaubaya. Thank you.
Next naman.
Ang ganda talaga ng mga
folk dancing.
Anong klaseng folk dancing?
Yung
Ay,
best
willing
mo.
siya
Anong
ng
best mo? Sample.
Maria Clara po. La Jota Manilena. Yun yung gustong-gusto kong sayaw.
Aba.
Ano ba yung music doon?
Okay, sorry. Na-curious lang talaga ako.
I'm Peter. I'm 27. I'm currently a styling assistant. To your question, I'd probably say cool off muna kasi it might escalate to further things and we might say bad words to each other. And then one thing that my parents has always taught me is like never leave an argument or a problem unattended. At the end of the day, it should always be resolved and before you sleep, everything should be fine.
Hello, JM28, an auditor and freelance actor. So for me naman, I'd rather to fix it now than pabayaan lang siya or i-neglect lang siya yesterday or tomorrow. Sa mga exes ko, ang number one rule ko kapag nag-away kami, bawal kaming matutulog nang hindi nag-aayos. Kasi feeling ko kapag hindi siya naayos agad, magkakaroon lalo ng alitan, magpapabebe yung isa, lalong tumatagal hanggang sa mag-cause ng cool off. So, doon naman ako, yun yung naman yung point ko.
So, hi, I'm Ren, 29 years old, government employee. Sa akin kasi, ayoko kasi yung nag-iisip tapos hindi tayo okay na matutulog. So, mas, una, siguro kalma. Ako kasi sobrang understanding ko kasi sa mga ganyan. So, nakikinig ako talaga. So, yung sinasabi na sigawan, siguro ikaw pwede sumigaw pero ako makikinig lang ako. So, yung parang, iintindihin ko kung ano yung nirarant mo. So, para at least, mai-workout natin, mai-communicate ko sa iyo ng maayos kung ano yung gusto mong iparating sa akin. So, tas ayoko rin na ipagpabukas pa. So, chill muna saglit, pero kapag kumalma ka na, then let's talk.
Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. And based on their answers, we'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. The floor is yours.
2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
Ooh.
And one more.
All right. So join us over here. Thank you
Janine's
so
so cute.
Sorry. I'm so formal.
Cute.
Kanina, kalog-kalog ako kanina, pero ako yung host ngayon eh. Kaya formal tayo ngayon. Joke lang. Anyway.
Go ahead.
So, why did you pop his balloon po?
Although yung point po niya is super valid. I understand that and I respect that po. Pero personally kasi, for me, gaya ng iba, most of us are overthinkers po. Sobrang hate ko yung feeling na nag-overthink ako kasi hindi ako mapakali. Like, hindi na ako maka-function on a normal basis kung ano yung gagawin ko on that day or whatever task it is. So ako, if ever na nagkaroon ako ng argument with my partner, I wanna make sure that the conversation is tuloy-tuloy up to the point na magkakaroon kami ng resolution.
Okay.
Because I want to understand my partner's perspective and I want him to also understand what's my point. Kasi that's a misunderstanding eh. So meaning, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan kung ano ba yung dapat na tumatakbo sa relasyon nyo. So if that's the thing, you have to make sure it's part of your responsibility to talk it out. I mean, preference ko lang naman po siya na hindi ko kayang matulog or magpahinga nang alam kong hindi kami okay.
Okay.
Kasi alam ko na if I'm uneasy with that feeling, paano pa yung partner ko? Siyempre, uneasy din siya. And I don't want him to feel that way.
Okay. Do you have any response to what he said?
Okay, no response. Okay.
Okay.
To tell you honestly, parang nakasanayan ko kasi siya. On my past relationship, parang yan yung naging reason kung bakit kami naghiwalay. Yung bara-bara.
Okay.
Yung alam mo yung sitwasyon na mainit, tapos that was the time na I keep on asking questions, I keep on saying sorry. Pero dahil nga sarado yung utak niya, that time
That's
mas lumala. Mas lumala yung emosyon niya. Parang ang nasa isip niya that time, he was a teacher. Ang nasa isip niya is parang binabakuran ko na siya, wala na siyang yung parang hindi mo man lang ako binibigyan ng oras, panahon para pag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Kaya parang sa akin, mas ka talaga na kahit ilang oras lang, ilang minuto, at least alam natin yung pagkakamali natin at higit sa lahat, alam natin kung talagang magka-relasyon tayo, mahal natin ang isa't isa, walang mangyayari na hiwalayan katulad ng nangyari sa amin. Alam ko na mahal niya ako, pero I think na-over lang ako. Yung parang na-over ako sa relationship namin because that was my first relationship and up until now. Ngayon, natatakot ako na makipagrelasyon ulit dahil doon. Pero sabi ko nga, siguro, dahil sa kailangan i-overcome ko yon, the best thing that I can do is to settle first, na magkaroon ng oras, magkaroon ng yung
cool down period muna.
Cool down period.
Bago kayo mag-usap.
Yes, kasi para mas alam ko yung sasabihin ko.
Oo, mas nakapag-isip na kayo, nag-reflect muna kayo.
Mahirap kasing bawiin yung mga nasabi muna.
Okay, in the heat of the moment, no?
So based sa sagot niya, set ka na ba talaga sa decision mo?
Yes po. Just want to point it out po to everyone na baka nga kasi madala kayo ng emotion or something, but also it has something to do with your compatibility on how you address your problems po. Kasi baka nga naman ikaw, mabilis kang madala ng emosyon mo. So kapag ikaw nagagalit ka, ang nangyayari is nakakapagsalita ng hindi magagandang bagay, emotionally affecting your partner.
Ikaw ba ganun ka ba?
Hindi po.
Nakakontrol mo?
Nakakontrol.
Kaya okay lang sa'yo na head-on na i-face agad yung...
Kasi takot po ako na ma-feel bad siya with our relationship. Because I want to make sure that relationship gives him the positivity, the comfort, yung pahinga niya sa isang araw. So, if nakaka-feel siya ng uneasy feeling with our relationship, hindi na rin ako uneasy with that.
Wow. Grabe, nakakontrol mo yung emotions mo. Ako parang in the heat of the moment.
Very mature.
Yes, very mature. Sana all.
Pero aside from everything, type mo ba sana siya?
Oh, sayang naman.
Pero I think you set ka na sa decision mo, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's go over here. Why did you pop his balloon naman?
Sobrang na-adore ko siya kasi yun, he's showing on how his parents raised him. But again po, it has something to do with the compatibility.
Okay.
If hindi kami compatible enough na to talk things out agad-agad, so it just means na hindi kami magiging compatible on a future on po.
Okay, agree ka ba doon sa sinabi niya?
Well, I'm always here to listen naman. I'm a really good listener. And I think it should be reciprocated both ways. So, yeah, I guess.
Okay, pero aside from everything, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, he's got good style, so yeah.
You like his style?
How about you? Aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yes. Because it's really good in the fashion. And the fashion sense is really giving.
And he's also willing to listen naman
Parang wag na lang kayo mag-away.
Yeah, sample na lang muna. Sure ka na sa decision mo?
Yes po.
So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 balloons left. So, I'd like you to ask another question to help you find out kung sino bang mas ka-vibe mo sa kanila.
So, for my second question, I want to know, guys, kung ano yung ginagawa nyo outside work.
Aside from teaching, nag-ano lang ako, nagpunta sa cafe bar, kakape lang doon. Yun.
Cafe hopping.
Movie, watching Netflix yun.
It's cute.
And traveling as well.
To be honest, during my spare time outside work, I love to be at home, spending time with my 2 fur babies, Sophie and Pumpkin. But I also make myself sure that every once a month I would do some outdoor activities, such as spending time with my friends as well. It's a mix of both indoor and outdoor activities.
Given yung shift ko is panggabi, most of the time during my rest day, either tutulog lang. Pero I'm a combination of both introvert and extrovert.
Ambivert.
Yep, so I'm an ambivert. Pero other than that, I also play volleyball. I'm also a part of a group for open mic performers. So I do hosting then if ever I get invites.
As an extrovert person, so I love traveling, playing volleyball and badminton. Extra sa mga movies, teleserye, and pelikula. Hindi ako mahilig mag-watch ng movie. So,
Bakit?
ayun. Naboboard ako.
Napaboard ka? Kahit anong movie?
Wala talaga?
Ayun, playing volleyball and badminton.
So sports talaga,
Sa traveling,
outdoorsy stuff.
So, yung answer ko naman doon sa question mo, ako kasi office work. So, I see to it na meron akong outside activity. So, I love walking, sobra. Tas, mahilig na rin ako lately sa mag-fun run. So, kaninang umaga, fresh from fun run na 10K from UP. So, actually, hindi ko nga alam na buti nga nakapunta pa ako dito eh. So, ayun, thank you din. Tapos, bonding with my friends kasi dahil only child ako. So, longing talaga ako sa mga outside person, lalo na sa mga friends ko. Gustong-gusto ko na kasama sila, ganun, hangout. Kahit simpleng walking, coffee, chismis, ganyan. Ayun.
Let's go back there. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. And based on their answers, we'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay, isa pa? Okay.
Oh, okay. So let's go over here. Bakit mo pinop ang balloon ni Emil?
Ba't ka galit? Kasi, bawal ba? Ikaw nagsabi pop niya, di ba?
Joke lang. No, pero why did you pop his balloon?
Okay.
Kasi nga po, di ba, I'm a performer. I dance a lot, perform a lot. So, as a performer, gusto ko rin po ma-feel from my partner po yung inspiration of doing something outside work. I also want to give that energy to him. Like, gusto kong supportahan siya, i-cheer siya, manood, gusto ko siya panoorin sa kung ano yung passion niya sa ginagawa niya.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Siguro kasi yung passion ko talaga is teaching. Having kids around me, yun.
So yun talagang world mo.
Okay.
Outside of that, what would you find you doing?
Cafe, bar, with my friends.
So you're
Hanging
looking
out
for
with my
something
friends.
beyond that?
Pero aside from everything, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you're set with your decision naman po?
Yes po.
Over here? Ayan. Bakit niyo po pinop yung balloon niya? Sorry, hindi ako galit ha.
Bakit mo pinop?
Why did you pop his balloon?
Sorry agad.
You're good. Why
Bawal
did you
pala.
pop his balloon?
I understand po kasi na graveyard siya. So,
Okay.
ayoko naman maging burden sa partner ko na kapag may papanoorin siyang show ko or competition ko na mag-aalat pa siya ng time for that na parang syempre
Right.
pupunta siya din instead of nagpapahinga siya. So, I want to respect his time also.
Fair naman. Do you have any response to that?
Well, I always make adjustments, pero preference yan.
And now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left.
Okay, so another question to help you figure out kung sinong magiging pusuan match mo.
Gusto ko lang po kayo mas makilala by knowing your love language.
Okay. Receiving or giving?
Giving.
Giving love language.
I'm a gift giver and at the same time, words of affirmation.
For gift giving, anong pinaka-romantic gift that you've given a partner before?
Yeah.
I think shoes.
Shoes.
Kasi given the situation of my ex-boyfriend when I was at college,
Okay.
he doesn't have a lot of shoes. So medyo worn out yung shoes na ni-use niya during PE. And then so, nung duman ako sa mall, nakita ko and then it's on sale. I bought it during his birthday. So yun yung
So mga
shoes.
ganong kinds of love language.
Yeah, so I don't
Oh.
just give lang ng gift kapag naisipan ko. I just see to it na meron siyang story behind it. Because for me, it's the thought that counts.
Thoughtful.
For me, as simple as quality time and service. So, doon ko na-feel yung love ko sa tao and then as vice versa din.
Actually, kaya naman lahat eh. Bakit ka mamimili kung ano, di ba?
Yung top muna.
Okay, para sa akin, yung top siguro is yung quality time. Sabi ko nga, as an only child, parang yung love language na yun is parang gusto ko kasi na magkakilala tayo. Syempre, para at least I want to know you more. Para at least kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung ayaw mo, di ba? So, yung bonding ba, tapos para makilala mo rin ako, ganon. Syempre, quality time talaga yung top.
So right now we have 3 balloons left. We'd like you to choose one balloon to pop, and the floor is yours. So why did you pop his balloon?
Yung sa kanya po kasi, yung love language ko kasi, just for context, is words of affirmation, quality time, and physical touch.
Okay.
So I understand na part of his giving na love language is gift giving. But personally, sa akin lang naman, I'm not really comfortable in receiving gifts.
Right. Okay.
Maybe because pinalaki ako ng parents ko na if you wanna have something, work hard for it.
Okay.
So ayoko lang magbigay sa kanya ng perception na parang kailangan mo kong regaluhan para mahalin kita. Although, hindi naman yun yung intention niya.
Yun lang yung love language niya.
Yes, but it's just my preference po na hindi ako comfortable with a gift giving.
Okay, that's fair.
I do respect naman his decision and his preference as well.
Okay, so now we have 2 balloons left. So, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
For me siguro, if we are in the relationship and then ayaw ng parents mo sa akin, how do you address that?
Sa akin, kapag alam ko kasi na pag pinakilala mo yung partner mo sa parents mo or even your closest friends, ang una nilang maging perception is, ayoko sa kanya.
Yeah.
Kasi it has something to do with your physical appearance, on how you dress yourself, kung paano ka magsalita. And that's valid kasi gusto ka nilang protektahan with a lot of things, lalo sa mga pain, sa mga anything. Valid yung nararamdaman nila na if ayaw sa akin ng parents mo. But for me, if ako'y nandoon sa situation, alamin ko muna kung bakit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi yun yung nakikita nila sa'yo eh. And hindi nila nakikita kung ano yung nakikita mo sa mismong partner mo. So, once I get to know kung ano yung side nila, kung bakit ayaw nila sa'yo, and that's the time na i-reference ko yun sa kung paano ko talaga kita kilala.
Okay.
Pag sabi nila na, mayabang yan eh. So, syempre ako, kilala kita, mapavalidate kita, madedefend kita na, hindi naman siya mayabang. Baka it has something to do with his tone of voice kapag nagsasalita.
Okay.
So, depende sa reason din.
Yes po,
I-consider mo muna kung valid ba yung sinasabi nila or...
Yes. Kasi baka may nakikita sila na hindi ko nakikita.
True.
So I wanna make sure na transparent sa akin kung ano yung pino-point out nila.
Okay, so ano yung question mo para sa kanya?
So, in terms of relationship, so are you into casual pa ba or you're into serious na?
Sa akin po, in my years of existence and yung sa mga...
Years of existence. Mga ilang years?
So, ano po, dami ko na rin napagdaanan na dates. I've been through with a lot of people na with different personalities, traits. I think nakilala ko na yung sarili ko. So, feeling ko ready na ako to settle down.
So, since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, we'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
So, based po kasi sa pagkakakilala ko sa kanila, the balloon that I'll pop po is...
So, why did you pop his balloon?
Gusto ko yung personality niya and everything. It just has something to do with what he do. Yung most of my time, nagsasayaw ako and all. So, I wanna be with someone na nasa same field kung ano yung ginagawa ko. So, although volleyball player po siya, if ever man na siya yung naging ka-relationship ko, I'll support him in everything, cheer for him and all. Sabi ko nga po, it has something to do with compatibility. Kaya na-pop ko po yung balloon po.
Okay. Do you have anything to say?
Wala naman po kasi preference naman niya po yun, so I respect that.
Thank you.
So, since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here.
Sumakses nga. So before we proceed, meron ba kayong mga final questions for each other? Kayo po?
Yes, I have a final question po. Gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung mga red flags na sinasabi ng mga ibang tao na you feel like, on your personal reference, hindi siya totoo.
Usapang red flag kasi for me, ulitin ko lang siguro yung sinabi ko rin kanina. Red flag still a red flag for me. So non-negotiable siya sa akin. Kasi before kayo mag-commit sa relationship, andyan na yung dedication and eagerness na makuha mo siya. So, dapat alam mo na kung ano yung red flag sa sarili mo when it comes to relationship. Mga misunderstanding, miscommunications, that's not considered a red flag, but that's more on room of opportunities that we can improve more sa relationship natin. Basically, hindi naman ako mahirap mahalin.
Oo naman.
Ang need ko lang talaga ng very supportive partner.
Na-answer ba yung question mo?
Yes po. I'm satisfied naman with this answer.
Okay naman.
Okay. Ikaw,
baka
meron
may
ka
tanong ka pa?
bang final question?
Actually, hindi siya a question but more on opinion for the both of us. So, since dito tayo nagkakilala, let's start with friendship muna and then we'll grow siguro, i-work out natin and then everything will follow. So, let's see kung saan tayo dalhin ng tadhana.
Okay. Kung friends to lovers ba to?
Ayan. So, dito ko natatanungin kung sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I think sa mga answer niya and sa goal niya towards this potential relationship, yes, I agree.
Okay. And?
Ikaw po ba? Sure ka na sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay, so we have a puson match! Alright, so please take each other's hands and go on a date!
Good luck! Congrats! Here comes our next sexy single!
Hi, Pa! Join us over here! Ang ganda ng fit mo! Sobrang cool mo!
How to be you po?
Okay, so what's your name, your age, and what do you do for a living?
Okay, my name is Rovig. I'm 21 years old. And right now, I'm a self-learning student. I'm just learning what I like to do. I'm exploring different artistic avenues. I'm looking to stream as well.
What's your hobbies? What do you do aside from what you do for a living?
I'd say my interests are very diverse, very artistic avenues, like I said. I like to go to music fests with my friends, explore nature, take a stroll at the forest, even a walk by the beach, since I'm a born and raised by the beach, you know. I also just like researching all of the topics that I'm interested about. I really love learning and growing as a person.
All right, okay. So what's your ideal partner? What traits are you looking for?
I'm very open-minded. Obviously, physical appearance, a lot of people take it as their first thing, but for me, it's a secondary thing. Of course, it's still important, but I'm looking to know somebody else for their personality first.
Anong specific na personality traits ang hinahanap mo sa isang partner?
I'd say just somebody who can keep up with me. I'd say I have very strong opinions on things.
Okay.
I mean, I'm open-minded to everybody's opinions. I think they're all valid. I love hearing other people's opinions. It helps me grow. It helps me think. It helps me question.
So you like discussing things
Yes,
with your
so
partner?
somebody that can keep up with me in like deep philosophical thoughts.
Do you have any deal breakers, mga red flags?
For me, my deal breakers is communication and trust. I want somebody that can communicate with me so that if there's any problems that arise, we can deal with it together. You know, I don't want things to go unsaid. I don't want them to feel resentment towards me about something that I'm not aware of.
Okay.
And for trust, you know, I want to put 100% of trust into my partner and the same back from them.
Okay, that's great. Thanks so much. So,
Okay. Hindi ba kayo trustworthy? Anong nangyari?
sasabihin ko pala sana walang nag-pop. Okay. All right. So before anything,
Okay.
Okay.
So, mukhang nag-pop ang ating lineup. So, let's find out kung bakit sila nag-pop ng balloon.
Hello, I'm Emil, 33, preschool teacher. Nagpap ako ng balloon kasi siguro maybe the age. You're 21.
Yeah, I get that. But again, I say that a lot of people actually think I'm very mature for my age. But no, don't worry. I get what you're saying.
So, you don't mind dating him despite of the age gap?
Yeah, as long as that person feels right for me, I don't think age gap matters because I've also found people older that can't keep up with me.
Okay.
So it's my own experiences and I feel like age doesn't tell you anything. It's about experience and how you move through life.
Yung age lang talaga, yun talaga yung nakapag-decide sa akin para mag-pop ng balloon.
Okay. Kahit na medyo mature naman daw siya for his age, ganun pa rin talaga.
Yeah, I'm good.
Hi, so my name is John David Rafael Camaras, but you can call me David or David. I'm 26 years old, and I am a digital marketing specialist and media buyer in an IT BPM company in Ortigas. So I popped the balloon kasi yung age niya is 21. I think he's too young for me. And I think ang dami niya pang matututunan. So use that time to explore more in terms of mga interest mo. And I really do love your get up. I really appreciate it.
Actually, out of everybody, based on just physical appearance, I actually thought you were the cutest. I think people with glasses look really cute, especially when they match their face. But like I said, I totally get it. I am 21. I know that I have a lot to grow off. And, you know, all of my past experiences, I know that they've helped me become a better person. I have a lot more to mature. Yeah, like, growth is never ending. Healing is never ending. I'm looking forward to keep on growing as a person all throughout with my age.
Yeah, ayaw niyo bang i-try? Kasi pwede namang like for fun lang.
For 21 kasi.
Okay.
No talaga.
Siguro in the future, mag-explore ka muna.
Hi, my name is Rem. I'm 29. I work as a communication trainer. The reason I pop, number one is, of course, the age. I've been traumatized with someone younger than me. I know that you know it to yourself na marami ka pang pwedeng matutunan. Pero it's the trauma somehow that's kicking in. Kasi I tried that pero I believe that may goals kami pareho pero ultimately nawala din. So, and other than that, I am also argumentative at some point. So, I tend to lose patience pag masyado nang mahaba yung usapan.
Do you have any response to that?
For arguments, actually, I find myself to be the one with a cool head, actually. I like being patient. Like I said, I value everybody's opinions. So I'm always learning and like looking to hear what you have to say. I won't hold it against you on what you have to say about me or anything like that. And I get the trauma. Don't worry. Everybody has their own traumas. Yours is valid. If you already had that with a 21-year-old, I get that. You don't have to explain anything any further.
Please tell us your name, age, job, and why you popped your balloon.
Bakit kayo tumatawa?
Para siyang mambubugbog.
Man! Ayaw mo pagtingin niya ba?
Sabi niya kasi kanina, huwag mong habaan ha. Hindi, okay. So by the way, my name is Mark Del Monte Recoy. 27 actually, and currently I am a content writer. Age gap din kasi I'm not into like paano ba sasabihin to?
Younger?
Yung mas younger sa akin.
Don't worry, I can understand Tagalog.
Yung parang ang hirap for me kasi I have a past relationship. For me it's hard to kunin yung attention, yung alam mo yung isip bata.
Okay.
Parang hindi ko, sabi ko nga, I am not into like binibaby yung isang tao.
Okay.
And I think yung age natin sobrang layo.
Feeling mo, ibe-baby mo siya dahil sa age gap nyo?
I don't like nagbe-baby.
Okay.
Kasi I'm looking for settlement. I'm looking for someone who is with me until parang yun yung hinahanap ko ngayon. At my age, kasi sabi ko nga, I want to be stable. When it comes to your looks, wala namang problema. It's an art, actually.
Honestly, I don't think you'd even end up babying me. I actually, I'm not gonna say I'm like dominant, but I like to take the lead in some things for my friends. I'm usually the one planning. I'm usually the one taking care of them. So I don't expect anybody to take care of me. I take care of myself.
Binigay na lang.
I'm Peter. I'm 27. I'm currently a styling assistant for a friend. The reason why I popped is same reason really. Age difference. You're probably at a different time and different place currently, and same goes to me. Besides that, you speak very eloquent, and I feel like you have a mature mind. So yeah. That's what I kind of appreciate.
No hard feelings. I understand that.
But what's the oldest you're willing to go?
Yeah.
For dating?
Probably not older than my oldest sister. 11 years older than me.
11 years.
11 years.
Okay.
All right. That's a pretty wide gap.
Hi, I'm Ren. So, 29 years old, government employee. So, the reason why I pop my balloon, siguro, feeling ko hindi tayo magmamatch yung vibe. I love your looks, promise. Na-appreciate ko yung mga ganyang looks. Pero, based nga dun sa sinasabi mo, yung mga gigs, yung mga concerts, mga music fest na ganyan. Kasi parang medyo nandun na ako sa Tito vibes kasi na parang na-anxiety na ako pag sobrang daming tao.
Ikaw na naglagay sa sarili mo sa Tito vibe.
Ayun na ako kasi na-experience ko na kasi
Cleaning mo na talaga.
Yun talaga. Para sa akin, reason ko talaga yung vibe talaga. 21 ka, so yung energy mo talagang sobra-sobra.
Naghahawak ng bag sa concert.
Ay, nakagano na lang.
Baka pwede kayo mag-bond over other things you don't wanna try?
Dumaan din naman ako sa ganyang age na talagang, alam mo yon, hyper talaga.
Tapos ka na sa phase na yun.
Parang feeling ko, more on na ako, parang medyo chill na vibe.
Like brunch, gano'n.
Yes, gano'n. Oo, morning person pa naman ako. Almusal. Feeling ko yung mga ganyang vibe, parang hanggang umaga
ikaw gigising ka pa lang para sa fun run mo.
Ayun. Parang... Exactly.
Makikita namin sa isa, pauwi pa lang ako tulog.
Nakaway.
Ganun na, parang...
Alright, so you're set with your decision?
I'm Nico. I'm 34 years old and I'm a content creator. So I popped my balloon because I do love artsy stuff and you seem like an intelligent person. Kaso yun nga, sa age din, I'm already 34. I see you as too young for me. I see you as a friend. Parang friend vibe yung nakita ko sa'yo.
I am Marco. I am 29. I am a former college instructor and I am now a non-uniform personnel. For me, ang reason kung bakit ako nag-pop up ng balloon is it's because siguro tataas yung insecurity ko sa'yo. Dati I have a tattoo pero pinalaser ko. Then siguro baka maengganyo ako magpatattoo ulit kung siya yung magiging
Meron ba?
ko or magiging partner ko. Then the age also is
But I get that, we all have our own insecurities. Sometimes this person makes you feel a certain way.
Have you gotten that before from a potential partner? Like them feeling intimidated by your style or, something like that?
I feel like as a whole, like people just see me as intimidating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just the whole vibe. Not even just in romance, but in friendships as well.
Like when I travel, when I'm in the bus, I feel like nobody chooses to sit next to me out of intimidation.
Okay. Pero your personality naman, it seems very
of course,
welcoming, warm.
Well, if I'm not speaking, obviously it might not seem as open and outgoing.
Okay. But in a relationship, may ganun ka na bang narinig na I'm intimidated by your style?
No, not really. I haven't been into an unofficial relationship, but that's of my own choosing. I don't want to get into a relationship where I feel like I'm going to be wasting my time. I want to make sure that that person is the one for me.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Marco. You're set with your decision? Okay.
Unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much for joining and gracing our show. Once again, we love your style so much.
I'd love to join back.
Yeah, we'd love to have you back.
Yes, please.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you.
Here comes our next sexy single. Come join us.
Please stay over here.
So what's your name, your age, and your job? What do you do for a living?
Okay, actually, my name is Scooby Alporte. And actually, I am 24 years old and currently working as an account relations manager and also a content creator and modeling. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. So what's your ideal partner? Ano yung mga preferences mo?
My preferences would be, I think, siguro kung physical appearance, I like tall.
Tall.
Gusto ko talaga, since, matangkad.
But you're so tall.
Yeah. Tall din, para match.
Mas gusto ko matangkad or mas matangkad sa akin.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So, ayun yung...
How tall are you, by the way?
Actually, I'm 5'11".
Oh, okay.
Me too! I'm 5'11" too!
Salita naman. Yes, oo. So, ayun. Siguro sa physical appearance yun. Siguro kung sa, sa mindset, siguro sa ugali. Gusto ko kasi, maintindihan. Understanding talaga.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Lalo na sa sked ko.
Yeah.
So, since working ako sa morning, so the work from home, pero ayun nga, so syempre nagkukuha din ako ng mga contents and also events and photoshoots sa gabi. And minsan sinasama ko lang siguro sa hapon kapag kaya ng time. So, kailangan talaga understanding when it comes sa schedule ko.
Very busy ka pala.
Yes. Super busy.
Outside of work, anong ginagawa mo for fun?
Bonding with friends and family. So, since close din kasi ako sa family ko, sa mom and dad ko. So, ayun yung ginagawa namin.
Meron ka bang mga deal breaker or mga red flags na hindi mo kayang i-tolerate?
Siyempre, cheating.
Cheating.
Syempre, number one.
Yes, oo, cheating. And
ba?
yung hindi marunong umintindi. Ayun talaga. So,
okay.
lalo nga doon sa schedule ko nga. So, kasi meron talaga before sa mga nakaka-date ko. So, kapag when I found out na, ayan, madami akong ginagawa. So, talaga nagte-turn down sila kasi hindi ko sila mabigyan ng time. So, nabibigay ako ng time. But, as much as kaya ko.
So far, wala namang nag-pop ng balloon. Based on what you see right now sa mga aura or physical traits nila, you can pop 2 balloons of your choice.
Sorry.
And one more?
One more.
I'm Emil, 33, preschool teacher.
Okay, so bakit mo pinop ang balloon ni Emil?
Yeah, sorry. Since nga nabanggit ko sa preference ko na I like tall. So, sorry, hindi naman sa nagja-judge, but also we have preferences. And I think he's a good guy naman based sa kung ano yung nakikita ko sa kanya. But for preference na height, siguro, yeah. That's the reason why I pop my balloon.
Do you have anything to say to that?
In-expect ko na kasi nga yung preference niya, yung matangka.
Hello, I'm Ram, 29. I am a communications trainer in the BPO industry.
All right. So why did you pop his balloon?
Na-feel ko kasi parang medyo, parang aside sa height, parang tropa vibe.
Bakit?
Ano vibe? Paano naging tropa vibe?
Wala lang. Siguro na-feel ko lang.
Na-feel mo lang?
Yung aura lang.
May tropa ka bang ganito din ang itsura? Or ano ba? Sinabi mo lang yun.
Do you have anything to say to that?
No, wala. Sadyang ganun lang talaga yung vibes na binibigay.
Okay, pero aside from that, type mo ba siya?
Pwede.
Pwede. Meron ba tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left? Please ask a question para mas makilala or mas malaman mo kung sino yung preferred partner mo.
What are your, tawag dito, red flags? Ano yung mga red flags nyo?
Hello po. Bakit na pa ganon? Marami ba? Marami na. Joke lang daw. Wag muna.
Hi, I am John David Rafael Comeros, but you can call me David or The Bid. I'm 26 years old. I'm a digital marketing specialist and media buyer. My red flags, usually siguro yung tabas ng dila mo. Dila ko. Sorry. Medyo expressive kasi ako sa thoughts ko, and I'm very loud and I'm very vocal about everything. Siguro kasi nasanay na rin ako dahil sa environment ng work as well in the marketing industry. So we're very vocal about our ideas and all of our thoughts. Medyo na-apply ko siya on a daily basis. And for me, for others, it would come out as a negative side of me because perhaps na insensitive yung way ng ng pagiging loud ko and very expressive. Sa others naman, they like it kasi they find it, prangka, I'm honest, and then I don't pretend to be good, something like that. I'm currently working on it. So, every time na may naiisip ko, I see to it na I should be more thoughtful and hindi ako makapag-offend ng ibang tao.
My name is Mark Del Monte Recoy. I'm 27 years old. I'm a content writer. Okay, yung my own red flags are, number 1, yung time management. Ganun talaga kasi ako. Number 2 is space. I always want to have, what do you call that? Sabi mo, di ba, yung may sarili tayong life. So I think it's better for us to have our own time, our own space. Kahit we have, kasi kailangan nating mabuhay na di ba? Yung alam natin na kapag hinayaan natin ang isa't isang mag-grow, then our relationship will be growing too.
My name is Peter. I'm 27. I'm currently a styling assistant. I guess my red flags would be time management. Ever since back in university, I would do projects or like deadlines like the day before or a couple of days before. So I would pull like an all-nighter, and that's probably one to improve on. And then probably the second thing is sometimes I like to keep problems and situations to myself and think of if I can resolve it on my own rather than reach out to friends or family first, which is probably much better mentally wise. That's probably like my top 2.
I'm Ren, 29 years old, government employee. Yung nakikita kong red flag ko is yung overthinking. Kasi in terms of siguro sa communication, kapag hindi, sa akin naman okay na basta mag-update. Pero kasi di ba syempre nakaka-paranoid naman yung kung yung partner mo hindi siya nag-update. Di ba? Syempre nagkikare ka kasi yun, di ba? So, lalo na kunwari lumabas, isipin mo ano nangyari sa kanya, di ba? So, ayun.
Hi, so I'm Nico, 34 years old. I'm also a content creator. Sometimes I'm indecisive. So before, I tend to cancel plans na okay na. Tapos naiinis yung mga friends ko sa akin. So right now, I'm doing something about it.
I am Marco Calo. I am a former college instructor, but I am working now at Philippine National Police as non-uniform personnel. And one of my red flags is sometimes I am insensitive. So hindi ko masyadong na ano yung feelings ng iba and medyo tactless din ako minsan.
All right.
So based on those answers, we'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Walang sasama ng loob, ha?
Wala. Bawal daw sumama ang loob.
Okay. Sorry, I need to pop this.
Why did you pop his balloon?
Di ba nabanggit mo kanina parang medyo matabas yung dila mo? So, kasi soft-person ako. So, medyo maani yung emotion ko. Bang masigawan lang ako, mapagsabihan lang ako. Mabilis agad mag-cry sa gilid. Yes.
Sa gilid.
I think it's good naman na you were still working on it. Yeah, but I think for my preference, ayun, so talagang soft-hearted ako.
Di ba nagpo-progress ka na ngayon? Nandun ka na ba sa level na kaya mo mag-adjust para sa temperament niya?
Hindi pa rin siguro, no, not to that point pa. I cannot eradicate it immediately. So it's a step-by-step process.
Okay.
So since medyo malambot yung puso mo, so I guess we're just better friends. I can see you naman as my friends, tapos parang sabihin na lang natin na parang on Wednesday we wear pink. Something
Peach na lang.
Correct. Like Mean Girls, something like that.
Yeah.
But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, physically, yes. Okay naman siya. Pero parang...
Oh!
Sister nga lang talaga.
Okay.
I mean, dogs smell dogs. So, naano ko yung vibe sa kanya na mas okay siyang maging friend.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go over here. Okay.
Natakot ako baka mamaya.
So why did you pop Marco's balloon?
Dun pa lang sa word na insensitive na sa mga bagay-bagay. So medyo pumitig tayo doon. Yeah, kasi I'm a type of person na yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin, yung isang bagay, alam mo na yung automatic na sa'yo yun. So, syempre, ang prepare ko lang naman kapag yung partner ko is hindi ko na kailangan i-vocal sa kanya. Lalo na kung matagal na kami.
Gets niya na.
Yes, So, dapat gets mo na yun na maging sensitive ka sa mga bagay-bagay.
Do you have anything to say to that?
Siguro, thanks also for your comments. Siguro yun din naman yung i-workout ko. Siguro in the future.
Okay.
Inom-inom na lang.
Yes.
Alright. Baka hindi lang match romantically.
Okay, that's great.
Alright, we still have 1, 2, 3.
4 balloons left. So with that, you can ask another question to get to know them better.
So, are you family-oriented? And also, ilang kayo magkakapatid? Then, pang-ilan kayo doon?
To tell you honestly, yun yung number 1 na ano ko sa'yo kanina. Kasi I'm also family-oriented. Bali, buo kami. Malaking pamilya kami. We have 10 siblings. Pang-9 ako.
Wow.
Yes po. We're family of engineers. 6 of my brothers and sisters are engineers. And
runs in the family.
Yeah.
Parang sa amin kasi, we care family talaga. Kasi ang nangyari sa amin, mula nung sa panganay, nung graduate yung panganay namin, tumulong na talaga hanggang makagraduate kami na. So we're glad to have our family talaga.
Wow.
And my father is just only a farmer and my mother is just only a housewife. Sadyang tulong-tulong lang talaga.
Oh yeah. Wow. That's good.
Yun lang.
That's good to hear.
Thank you. Aww.
A pretty small family kami. There's only my mom, my dad, me, and then my younger brother. 10 years yung age gap namin. Yeah, we're very close. Like, we always bond. Every Sunday, we would go out for lunch after church. First time to be away from them. Like, tens of thousands of miles away. Kasi they're in the UK and then I'm here. So, yeah, we communicate through like FaceTime and yun
So
lang.
still very close despite being at that distance.
Like everyday update. What are you doing? Did you have dinner na? And
That's cute.
Hi.
Hello!
So, ayun, only child ako.
So,
Pangilan ka? Hindi, joke lang. Just checking kung gising kang lahat.
So, ayun. Kasama ko naman yung parents ko, yung mama at papa ko. Siguro sa sobrang close namin, actually, nasa isang kwarto kami. Matulog. Ganun, ewan ko, siguro kasi dahil nga tatlo lang kami, so talagang magkakatabi kami. Gusto mo.
As in, very close talaga.
Oo, talaga. Kasi, yung parents ko kasi, parang medyo may edad na sila. So, nung nabuhay ako, parang 30s na sila. So, in-enjoy nila yung kanilang kabataan.
Okay.
So ngayon, pag may time talaga na magkasama kami, talagang sulit talaga yung kahit nasa higaan, yung simpleng bonding ba, yung kwentuhan, ano nangyari maghapon, gano'n. Siyempre, di ba parang nakakatuwa pa din gano'n.
Thank you. That's such a great question. Na-miss ko tuloy yung family ko. Hi!
I have a half-brother and a half-sister sa father's side. So, they are older than me. So, they have their own families na rin. So, right now, close ako sa mga pamangkin. So, yung mga attention ko now sa mga pamangkin now, yung mga hindi ko nagawa before as bata, parang ini-spoil ko sila.
Cute naman.
Ginagawa ko.
Based on those answers, we'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Ba't nagtatago yung isa dyan?
Ay, tinago niya.
Direko.
Sorry.
Okay, and one more.
Oh,
Okay. Tinago pa naman niya yung balloon niya.
Dapat nga ba, tinago mo na lang. Pinasa mo dapat sa akin.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go over here.
Okay, let's go over here. Baka may chance pa daw eh.
Bakit mo nga ba pinap yung balon niya kasi? He's so sad daw. What did you say?
I'm so sad.
Ayun tuloy, sad tuloy. Sad tuloy. Why did you pop his balloon?
Okay. Siguro, good naman yung, di ba, madami kang mga kapatid and also nagtutulong-tulong kayo, di ba? Naging preference ko lang na, syempre, madami kayong magkakapatid. Meron kasi akong issue before sa ex ko na parang ang dami rin nilang magkakapatid, ganon.
Okay.
Siguro traumatized din na parang...
Ang dami kasi nila. Tapos lahat ng approval, kailangan makuha.
Oo,
Okay.
yeah. So, yun din yung isang factor siguro.
Okay.
Kaya, that's
Magiging problem ba yun? Do you think?
Hindi. Wala kasi sila dito.
Okay. So, pag hindi nila alam, okay lang, gano'n.
Okay lang
Hindi mo
yan.
naman sinabi.
Bigla nag-change mind.
Bali kasi, most of my siblings are outside the country.
Okay.
So, sa bahay namin, 3 lang talaga kami. Mama, papa, ako lang. Tapos yung bunso namin, naka-assign sa Laguna. Tapos may sarili din siyang bahay doon.
So, hindi kayo parang nagzo-zoom call na, oy, ito na
Yun
yung
na
bago
lang
kong...
talaga yun, Google Meet.
Okay.
Pero I'm sad kasi pinag-iisipan ko talaga kanina yung sagot ko. Tapos nakinig talaga ako.
Dahil lang pala talaga. Hindi pala dahil pinap yung balon.
But it's okay. I really appreciate your decision. And
Kala ko it's okay, biglang
Yeah.
runs away crying.
Based on what he said, hindi ba nag-change yung mind mo?
Ano parang bibigyan niya?
Aagawan niya na yata ng balon eh.
Siguro stick ako.
Okay ka na. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your answer. Thank you for your answer.
no.
No. Alright, let's go over here. Why did you pop his balloon?
Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo kasi only child ako. So, alam ko yung feeling ng mag-isa lang, walang kapatid. Sabi nga nila, kapag only child, spoiled.
Yeah.
Sabi nila, di ba? Pero sa akin naman, actually, hindi naman ako totally spoiled. Kapag talaga meron, edi meron. Kapag wala, stay muna.
Okay.
Ganon. Siguro I pop his balloon din kasi since alam ko yung ugali as a only child. So alam ko na kaya tinanong ko kanina kung super close. Ganon, di ba? Baka mamaya kasi mama's boy. Ayoko kasi nangingialam yung, sorry to say, pero ayoko yung nangingialam talaga yung
Family.
Okay.
So, kapag stick sa problem, pwede i-open up. Pero kasi most likely kasi nakilala ko mga only child. Ganun eh.
Okay.
Na mga friends ko na only child din. Talagang o-open up sila totally. Talagang naapektuhan yung relationship ng yes.
Tama ba siya doon?
Yeah, do you agree?
Feeling ko yung pagiging protective kasi ng mga parents.
Yes, super.
So, talagang may tendency.
Dahil mag-isa ka nga, talagang hanggat
Protect.
maaari.
Yes. Actually, kahit ako, like, di ba, I'm 24, and talaga may time na kapag nasa shoot ako, ganun, at gumagawa pa ako ng content sa labas, tumatawag yung mom ko na, Mom, wait lang, saglit
ganun
lang.
din. Okay.
Ganun, super, I mean, hindi ko naman ginajudge yung mga ganong parents, na syempre protective, lalo na isa lang yung anak, Pero siguro, parang stand kasi ako na kailangan din naman namin syempre matuto in my own. Yes.
Okay.
Kapag nagkamali, at least mag-stand kami by my own.
So you're set with your decision?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
Let's
So,
go
start
over to
here.
Peter. What's your question?
My question is, uso na yung parang online dating, meeting people through the apps. And I feel like I don't see much people like courting in a way. Like there's a process to it. I feel like there should be. I mean, it shouldn't be just quick and easy. Do you want to be courted? Do you want to have that process of
Gusto mo bang ligawan
Yeah.
ka? Or yung mabilis na parang, okay, swipe left, swipe right?
Okay, I see. So actually, I experienced naman din na to use some dating apps, no? So personally kasi, mas makikilala ko yung tao. Like, oh yes, sige. Pag bet, yes.
Okay.
Pag hindi, no. Then after that, so syempre kikilalanin ko yung person. Not just only sa social media lang, no. So hindi ako nag-answer sa mga exes ko na, yes, oo na. I mean, I don't do that. Kasi mas gusto ko yung, di ba, personal akong mag-say yes. Kasi most likely, ako talaga yung, ako kasi nililigawan. Mas gusto ko yung ako yung nililigawan.
Okay. Gusto you like to be pursued?
Yes, oo, yes. So, mas gusto ko yun na, para mas makilala ko din yung person, yung tao, kung talagang maganda ba yung intention niya or not. But if not, edi, bye-bye.
Alright. So, you want them to work for it muna. Earn your trust, ganon.
Yes.
And how about you? Ikaw ba? Gusto mong nang court or you want to be courted din?
I feel like that's how I want to do it.
Oh, that's how you want
I want to work
it.
hard for it.
Okay. Alright.
Minention mo kasi ikaw yung nililigawan. Pero yung question ko sana is, ano yung pinakakakaibang ginawa mo for a loved one or for a partner?
Nakakaibang ginawa
Something
ko.
romantic, like a big gesture, something like that.
I see. Sige.
Okay.
Sige. Throwback ba tayo dito?
Alright, let's go.
Kailangan na
Special.
Okay.
Tissue. Tissue na.
Oo nga pala, soft-hearted nga pala.
Siguro yung pinaka-sweetest na ginawa ko sa partner or sa ex. Pero pinakamasakit. Yeah. Siguro chika ko na lang din yung time na...
Ito.
Yung scarf. Meron palang use yung scarf niya.
Yung time na actually kasi yung partner ko, LDR kami. So he's from Cavite. Then ako naman is from Quezon City or Navaliches. Nagkaroon kami ng away. So parang 2 araw, hindi kami nakapag-usap. And syempre, na-question ko kung ano nangyari, ganyan. Kasi wala talagang update. Tatandaan ko na, June 12. Holiday yun, for sure.
Yeah.
Yes, Independence Day pa yun.
Oh no! Biglang nakita ng ending eh. Sorry.
Yeah.
Spoiler. Naging independence kasi.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Then after that, nag-message siya. Kaya pala hindi siya nakapag-message kasi parang na-confine siya. So syempre, as a partner, worried ako. Na parang ano nangyari? Since holiday naman yun, so nag-travel ako from Navaliches, QC, to Cavite, using angkas.
Oh.
Kasi syempre, dali-dali eh.
The effort.
Oo, kasi di ba nalaman mo naka-confine yung partner mo, edi punta ka agad.
Tapos, nag-lie lang pala. Ay, sorry. Inunahan ko. Nagagalit na ako eh.
Continue.
Yes.
Dadadala tayo sa story eh.
Tapos, nung time na sabi ko sa driver, ay, kuya, wait lang, babalan tayo ng Blumentritt. Bili lang ako ng mga fruits, para dadaling ko dun sa hospital. Then, after that, minamessage ko siya, sabi ko, uy, anong room number mo? Kasi gusto ko siya i-surprise. Then, hindi niya binibigay. Edi sabi ko, sige, yaan mo na. Okay na. Papunta na ako eh. Then, nandun na ako sa hospital.
Okay.
Edi na-ask ko, ito po yung name. Saan po to? Anong room number?
Okay.
Sabi nila, wala naman pong name dito.
Hala,
Wala naman pong name. Wala naman pong name dito na ganito. So, syempre, nag-decide na ako na chat ko na, sabihin ko, nandito na ako. Sasabi niya, bakit? Ba't ka pumunta? Sabi ko, sa'yo, huwag kang pupunta eh. So, parang hindi ko in-expect na instead of, sige, nandiyan ka pala sa baba, akit ka na, ito yung room number ko. Pero hindi talaga niya pinilit na umakyat ako. So, syempre, medyo masakit na yung loob ko nun, diba?
You went
Sabi
all
ko
the
na
way
lang,
there.
sige, pakuha mo na lang sa kapatid mo, yung pagkain na pinadala ko. Then sabi niya, hindi, wag na, iuwi mo na lang.
What the?
Yes. Ang sakit lang siguro sa part na nag-effort ka, hindi siya sinusumbat ko, pero nag-effort ka pumunta doon.
Oo naman.
Bigyan ng pagkain. Pero at the end of the day, wala. So parang kinain ko yung saging habang nasa basa ko.
Liar Sure ka.
So, not so happy Independence Day.
Yes. Ayun siguro yung effort na ginawa ko sa partner ko na at the same time masakit. Kasi after that day, birthday ko na kinabukasan.
My!
Yes.
Very memorable.
Yes, memorable siya.
I'm very sorry that happened to you.
Yeah. I think naman, ako dun. Nagkaroon naman ako ng lesson dun na not to give too much na love.
Okay.
And at the same time, dapat magtira ka sa sarili mo.
But that also shows how much, like, to what extent ka willing to do for your partner. That's good.
Yes. So, masakit, pero ayoko na lang magtanim ng sama ng loob.
Hopefully, you find the match today para naman you get the love that you deserve. Okay, so since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop ng balloon, the choice is yours. We'd
Go
like you to
ahead.
choose one balloon to pop. Okay. hindi nakasali.
Wala ka ng balloon.
Tapos na po.
Oh my goodness. Sorry.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's
Let's
back
go over to
here.
Peter. So why did you pop Peter's balloon?
Siguro lang kasi the way sa like kung paano siya mag-speak. Kasi medyo pagod na rin ako mag-English.
Okay.
Lagi na lang ito yung nagiging reason.
It's
Pero,
okay.
Diba,
It's okay,
Tagalog ka naman, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, so speak Tagalog naman.
Sample nga, sample.
Sample nga.
Pangalan ko po si Peter.
So, parang medyo nag-antay pa nga ako na to use our language. Kasi personally, kasi syempre yung mga nakakasama kong mga content creators, influencers, alam mo yun, sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Kaka-English, ang hirap sabayan. Though kaya naman, pero siguro mag-a-adjust ako na So, siguro yun yung naging base ko. Pero sa questions naman na tinanong niya.
Okay naman sana.
Yes, oo. Tinignan ko lang din talaga kung the way kung paano siya pa sumagot.
Okay. Para kung compatible.
Baka mamaya mahirapan na kami. Kasi mag-away kami English.
Pagod ka na kasi. Tapos,
So preference mo talaga.
Yes.
Okay, do you have anything else to say?
No naman, like he looks good. Like I love his fashion sense and everything.
Tagalog daw, Peter.
Tagalog ka ulit.
Gusto ko yung suot mo.
Oh, yun naman pala.
Thank you, Peter.
Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here.
Nico, meron ka bang tanong?
We're both content creators, so we saw each other in an event. So yeah, I want to get to know him more. It's a good avenue na bigla kami nakita dito.
Okay, baka meant to be.
Okay, ikaw.
How about on your end?
Yeah.
Ayun, so syempre, ayun nga, content creator din siya. So I guess magkakasundo kami in terms of understanding din sa mga schedules sa time, ganon. So,
Looking forward to some couple content, couple talk.
Oo, yan.
Diba?
Yes.
Right.
Go ahead,
Nico, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and
ikaw, sure ka ba sa kanya?
Yeah, sure.
Kiss!
Ready for that.
Demi or down?
Alright, congratulations, you two. Please take each other's hands.
Yeah. And go off into your happily ever after. Congrats! Good luck! And that has been our show. Do you have anything you'd like to promote before you go?
Yes, but before I promote, I just want to say thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for being here.
Miss Marian already knows, but I'm such a huge fan of her and this show, so it means so much that I'm here. Thank you so much to everyone for trusting me to speak. Thank you. And thank you to everyone. I had so much fun. Thank you, both.
We're so honored to have you here. I'm so grateful that you're here today.
And sabi ni Miss
I hope you
Marian,
enjoyed.
yeah, I'm an honorable.
Oh, yeah. Adopted na namin siya sa honorable.
Pero, alam ko kilala niyo akong rocker girl, but I'm just gonna promote na meron akong bagong girl anthem ni-release. It's called Tayo Lang May Alam, and if you wanna bop to it, it's on all digital streaming platforms, and I have nothing else to promote but OPM. Please keep supporting OPM.
Go
Thank you so much.
Go Janine Berdine.
I'm Janine Berdine. Thank you.
Okay, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. I'm Marian Nanor.
And I'm Janine Berdine.
Join us again next time for more
Pusuan or Laruan.